Don't touch me. What the fuck's wrong with you? You're not gonna take me.
Don't touch me.
Don't block me. I know you've heard. He killed my brother.
Thank you.
From a 60-year-old roommate who threatened gunfire over television volume.
Can you lift the lid to the toilet instead of leaving it down?
Here, let me get
Take your fucking... Where's your body cam?
to loosen me up.
Nicole.
To a DUI meltdown where Miranda warnings go ignored, and a 75-year-old woman accused of targeting a dementia patient for her real estate empire. These women weren't just confrontational, they were criminally committed to chaos. Let's dive in.
Hell, it was a mess in my room. It'd be good if it was a mess. Bro.
And what you wearing?
The 10th of February, 2025, Ohio. Officers respond to a call from a male resident who claims his 60-year-old roommate threatened to shoot him after he asked her to keep the noise down.
She threatened to shoot me. And then she said, I don't give a f***, I'll shoot you too. So yeah, I want to file charges.
Was there anyone else here?
There is a camera right there that might have picked it up.
Does it record audio?
Yes.
Okay.
From what I was told, yes.
How you doing?
Good, how are you? So what's going on?
I have no idea. I just got here just like y'all, maybe a couple.
I mean, I'm talking to myself in my room, and he coming here talking about can I keep it down? No, I can talk. My voice scares.
Okay.
And I can say what I want to say. I'm minding my business.
Did you threaten to shoot him?
No, yeah, I did.
You did?
I don't even have a gun. I'm just frustrated, but I keep it down. I don't have a knife or a gun.
Well, you told him you would shoot him. Was he asked you to keep it down?
What I'm shooting with?
I'm just asking you.
No.
So he asked you to keep it down and you didn't make any threats?
I ain't made no threats, no.
You just told me you threatened to shoot him.
I don't know what
At this point, the officers begin to consider whether a mental health evaluation might be necessary.
So why is there an issue then?
I'm just frustrated. I keep it down.
Maybe you need to go be seen.
Yeah, I'm going on there today.
You can go to the hospital right now.
I got things to do.
You have nothing to do because if they don't take you to the hospital right now, I'm gonna be calling somebody to come and pick you up, and that's just it.
I don't need to go to the hospital.
Okay, well, all right.
Is
Well,
your camera-
I
your camera-
got cameras.
I
think I left my phone in the car. Hold on.
When I go to CSS.
So are the cameras going to catch you saying that I'll shoot you?
No.
They're not going to catch that. So why would you tell me you said you were going to shoot him?
I was just talking.
You were just talking?
Yeah, I'm just frustrated. I don't even
Okay.
own
You understand that you can't just say that though? He wants to press charges.
For saying that,
You threatened him.
I was just minding my business.
I have no camera footage.
Alright, you can show me out here.
He came in my room starting with me.
Okay.
As you can see, I came out of my room, but she was causing issues. Hey, can you please knock it off?
Can you please mind your business?
You woke me up out of a dead sleeper.
care.
Well, the cops weren't getting called on you.
I don't care.
When you threatened to burn down this place, you threatened to shoot people.
Get out of my room.
Okay, well, I'm calling the cops.
Does your camera catch it too?
I do want to file charges. Okay. She needs to go.
See how he come in my room? I'm talking in my room.
Was he inside your room or was he in the
He
hallway?
came to the door. I'm talking to myself. That's the freedom of speech. I ain't bothering nobody.
Okay.
Where were y'all at in the back?
I was in the back right in front of her bedroom door when I was...
He came to my room, Dion.
I was actually seeing... I was right in front of her door.
Did she make any threats while you're standing out here?
Yes, not out here, but she made threats when I was in front of her door. That's about it.
Okay. There's no camera in the hall?
No camera in the hall.
Okay.
She's been disrespectful, rude. She's been threatening to burn down the place. She's been causing a lot of issues since this morning.
She discloses multiple mental health diagnoses: schizophrenia, bipolar disorder, and Alzheimer's.
Yeah, but that's the speed of my speech. I wasn't bothering nobody. I'm in my room. I'm frustrated. He come to my room. He got his own room and I got mine.
Miss Carter, have you been diagnosed with anything?
Yeah, I got schizophrenia.
Schizophrenia? Okay, what, are you taking your meds for that? Are you supposed to? Anything else, just schizophrenia? Have you been hearing anything lately or
I've
seeing?
got Alzheimer's.
I'm sorry?
I have Alzheimer's.
Alzheimer's?
Yeah.
Have you been hearing voices or seeing things or anything like that? No? You've been
No, I'm just frustrated with life. I'm in my own room, minding my business. I don't bother nobody in this house.
Okay.
I stay to myself. And I can talk when I want to talk. He came to me. And he ain't gonna stop me from talking.
Yeah. I mean, did he come and ask you to keep it down a little bit? Or
Yeah, and I told him, yeah, to mind his business.
She's mad. This is how it got started. Yesterday I walked in here and she had a bottle of Smirnoff and a bottle of beer. That's not permitted on the premises. Nonetheless, she was smoking inside the room. So at that time, you know, I told her, listen, you got to get that out of here. You can't be doing that. You know it. You know, she been with me for probably about 2.5 years. She called me this morning to tell me that she needed the skillet to make some bacon. And I said, okay, and I told her where it was at or whatever. I said, do you remember what happened yesterday? She was like, what? What are you talking about? I said, when I walked in that room and seen what I seen, you know, I told her the whole thing. So from that point on, I've been listening to her come to this porch, walking through the house. So that set her off because she knows she came from another one of my group homes, and this is her second out the door. Because for her to break the rules, threaten people inside the house, that's just intolerable here. So she know it. She know that if she got dementia too. She got early stages of dementia.
Okay.
Is why she probably didn't remember what happened yesterday. But to me, she got selective memory.
So she has dementia, bipolar, and she's schizophrenic. Okay. Well, we're trying to figure out if she's all mentally there to be able to understand, like...
She know what she's saying. She know what she's saying, because I actually had another female in here, but I had to let that female go. She did the same thing to her.
Okay.
So she know what she's saying.
She knows what she's saying.
Oh, yeah.
But she does have mental issues.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Great. Thank you.
The male roommate alleges she's been breaking rules, drinking alcohol, and smoking inside.
Miss Carter, I'm going to have you stand up, okay?
For what?
Oh, the gentleman would like to press charges. You're going to be under arrest for aggravated menacing.
That's some bull crap.
Unfortunately, you said what you said, and he has the right to press charges, especially since we have evidence of it.
That man can't bother me. I'm talking to myself.
Yeah, but you can't tell him that you're going to shoot him. That's the problem.
We don't go at it or nothing. I talk to myself.
I understand.
I'm about to leave. I can leave now.
We're past that point.
So how long I gotta stay in jail?
Probably just a couple hours. It's a misdemeanor. You probably bond out today, or they can give you a signature bond.
Yeah, this is bull crap. Can I take my purse?
No, you gotta leave out here.
Probably won't let you take your purse. So they won't hold it here.
You gotta stand up though.
Let me get my money.
We'll grab the money out of there for you. Come on.
I got it. This is crap.
Stop grabbing stuff.
I was taking my cigarettes.
Okay. They're not going to let you take them into jail because they're open. Put your palms together like you're praying.
And I gotta go down in my robe.
And what you wearing?
Going to jail on some mess.
Yeah, unfortunately, there's things that we can't
Well, he
say.
started with me.
Yeah, all he did was ask you to keep it down.
And I can talk freedom of speech in my room.
Yes, you can, but you can't say that you're going to shoot someone.
Well, he deserved to be shot. Tired of people. The jail was a mess. In my room talking. Ouch. Ouch. That was some bull crap. So you say I can bond out today?
There's a possibility. It's a misdemeanor.
So you say I can't bond out today?
It's going to be up to the courts, but they should be in session today. 1,
Okay.
2. With it being a misdemeanor, there's a chance that you could get a personal recognizance. Which means it's a signature bond, just saying that you sign a piece of paper that you're going to come to court.
Okay. You put me in a wagon.
Yep.
Talking to myself. And he coming to my room. Stay in your room, I'm in my room. That's the freedom of speech. That's a lot of paperwork, ain't it? That ain't even necessary to call a paddy wagon.
Now, she'll be spending the night in custody and seeing a judge in the morning.
Oh, crap. Because he started messing with me.
Step on down.
Y'all,
the bottom. I got one of these.
Y'all just don't got nothing to do with that.
Okay, this right over here.
What time is it?
I don't know.
Taking somebody to jail for some bull crap.
You ever been here before?
No.
Okay.
Never been to jail.
Never been arrested in jail. Okay.
My record is clean.
Okay. I'll need to check to see if there's a bond right now.
Yes.
It's not a domestic charge, so hold on a second. He's not getting a protection order, right, on you?
No.
Or he or she or whoever? No, okay. I don't know anything about the case. Because it's the charge, yeah, you have to see the judge.
Well,
So the judge is set for, they set the docket for 8 a.m. in the morning. So unfortunately, you're going to have to spend the day and the night here. And then tomorrow morning, you'll see the judge.
How you doing, ma'am? I'll show you how Saturday.
Yeah, come on over here real quick. The nurse is going to ask you some questions also, just like some standard intake stuff, okay?
So what we'll do is I'll get you here.
I can't find out today.
No.
I'm sorry.
Okay, go ahead
It's not
and
that she's my head.
take that thing off your head first.
I gotta take that off too.
Yeah,
This is some bull crap.
I know, it sucks.
No.
This is something.
Do you have a shirt underneath that?
No, I just got titty showing. That's it.
I don't want to see those. You got a belt on?
No.
Okay, go ahead and take your earrings out for me.
We gotta stay all night.
Yeah.
It's going to be a little bit touchy-feely, but that's just, they have to do that.
It'd be good if it was a man touching me.
Right. You just gotta, it's, I'm sorry, but that's, they have to do this.
The woman was arrested and charged with aggravated menacing. If she is convicted, what do you think the punishment should be?
The woman was charged with aggravated menacing, a first-degree misdemeanor in Ohio. On July 15, 2024, officers initiated a traffic stop on a vehicle that had fled the scene of a reported altercation at a local park.
Hello.
No, I'm not okay for the police pulling us over for what?
Were you guys back at the church there when we pulled in? There was a fight going on. We're just making sure you guys were okay.
No, don't do
Okay.
this.
Can I have your ID real quick, please?
Hold on, it's too much
Thank
shit
you.
going on. It's too much shit going on. It's too much shit going on, bro. It's too much shit going on. No, this is some bullshit. This is some bullshit. I ain't put my hands on nobody. No.
That's why you need to calm
You got 4 kids without it, and no booster.
Yeah, they ain't got no booster seat because we leaving. These ain't even all man. Come on now. So now what? Look, if I'm irritated, this some bullshit, dog. I can't calm down because she just started all that dumbass shit at this park. Sure didn't. So what? You want to see my hands? I'm frustrated. This some bullshit. Somebody telling my son you. This shit don't make no sense. Hold on, because I can have somebody come get these kids. We ain't got to do all that. Nobody don't need to come get the kids because y'all saying they don't got boosters. I'm sorry. Don't even pay me on mine. I'm just frustrated because I just got disrespected. I'm sorry.
Ma'am, are you the
I'm sorry.
Are you the registered owner?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry,
you the
y'all.
registered
I'm
owner
just
of this
going through a lot. Like, if you heard about the little boy 7 years old that just got killed over there by Audie's, that was my little cousin. I'm going through a lot. So to come to a park after leaving this hospital and they just declared them brain dead today, it's a lot. To go to the park and just try to have a good time, and my son walking up to me like, Mommy, it's a big kid saying, you. My son don't even know how to cuss, but he like, it's a big kid over there saying, you. And then I'm getting worked up about that, and I'm just like telling my son, like, all right, go say it back at this point, because he big. He look like he about 12 years old. You know what I'm saying? This don't make no sense. It's just too much going on, y'all.
She's now driving around with 5 unsecured kids in the middle of an emotional breakdown.
Are you the registered owner of the park?
Yes.
Do you have your driver's license on you, dear?
I do. Hold on.
Okay.
We good. I'm in good standing. I can't, listen, I'm a nurse assistant. I can't lose my license.
Listen.
I can't lose my license over
Just
this,
take a
y'all.
couple deep breaths for me, okay? Wait, you guys were leaving
you're
the
talking
park.
about how you're upset about your relative being killed.
I am.
And then you work in a hospital.
I don't work in a hospital.
You said a nursing assistant.
Yeah. These are my kids in the back. Yes,
okay,
I do know that
isn't this crazy that you're upset about a kid getting
No, he
injured?
got hit by a car.
I know, I was there.
We were there.
I was
He
there.
got hit by a car.
So what happens if you get into an accident?
I was just literally
What
going up
happens
the
if
street.
you-
I live around the corner.
Yes,
but
and
I
he
didn't
lived-
realize that all of my kids was in the back seat. Because
So
I
what
just
if somebody runs up? I need you to stop talking over me. I don't care about your friend being there. You have 4 kids in the back who are not secured, not buckled. Your youngest one's not even strapped. Is his car seat even buckled in?
Who, the baby?
Yes.
No. It don't look like it, no.
So how much sense does this make if you...
I'm in the wrong.
Yes.
I'm in the wrong.
Okay.
That's all the books are now.
Oh, it's 5 kids. Okay.
Sorry. Yep, these are all my 5 kids that I birthed out, and I don't have enough space in my car. I can't even afford a big enough vehicle for my kids. Okay, so just trying to transfer them to a park. Yes, I shouldn't have took all my kids, but I did. I wanted my kids to have a good time at the park. At the end of the day, they wasn't just all. I don't even care. I'm in the wrong. I'm in the wrong. It's some bullshit right here, dog. This is some bullshit, dog. No. Just ruin our life, though. Do what y'all gonna do. Ruin my life. Ruin my life. I ruin my life, though.
How are we gonna ruin your life when you've got all these children not strapped in?
I can't do nothing for
It's not
my
our
kids. Ruin my life. I'm young. I'm not disrespectful. I'm young. I'm not disrespectful to my elders. I take care of the elders, and I'm trying to talk to her. She ain't trying to listen to nothing I'm talking about. Dad? So, it was this whole altercation where another bystander hit her. I'm watching it all. I ain't touched the lady. I ain't said shit to the lady. I tried to talk to the lady. I said, you know what? I'm not even going to disrespect this lady. And I told her, I said, I'm not disrespectful, ma'am. I'm not going with you. I'm not disrespectful. But at the end of the day, we pull off, get pulled over. I'm trying to rush to leave the scene because I was just arguing with this lady, and then this lady get into a fight with a whole other individual. I tried to leave the scene, and I already worked up because we literally just left the hospital with a little boy. They pronounced him dead. So now it's like, I'm trying to go back home. I'm in the wrong. None of the kids got seatbelts on. They just jumped in the car. I told them I was trying to get away, but they don't want to hear that because they like, all right, this little boy just died.
Fleeing the scene and endangering 5 kids? That's not something the police can ignore.
You're not in trouble. We're not detaining you, nothing. Just want to talk back to the car.
I didn't hit nobody.
You're good.
I did not hit nobody. What am I getting arrested for?
We'll talk everything here in a second.
For some bullshit, dog. What am I getting arrested for? I didn't hit nobody.
Well, no, right now you're being arrested for endangerment of the children.
Are you serious? In front of my kids, y'all?
You can't drive around having 5 kids in the back seat and none of them buckle.
We trying to get our kids away from an altercation. Hey, look at my kids. Look at my kids, dog. You don't need my contact phone number. I'm about to call somebody so they can come help me with my shit happening. She just said I could call somebody to come help me with my shit.
That was before I got the information. What I was asking for your phone number for was so CSP could call you so these babies could come home.
Okay, I'm about to cooperate.
You're yelling at me. You
Because
understand what I'm saying?
I apologize. I'm manning up to my. I apologize for yelling at you. You're absolutely right. You're absolutely right.
But I don't have a choice right now because
So-
I have 5 kids not in straps or
So y'all about to
strings.
take my kids too?
This is why I'm asking for your phone number so CSP can call
Okay,
you
write
and
my
give
number
you
down.
back
Right,
the
okay,
children.
write my number.
Okay?
Calm down, Mar. Calm down. Okay, calm down, son. Calm down. Calm down.
My supervisor said this is what has to happen. So this is why I'm asking you for the information, because if you guys all live together, CSP can release the children back to you at their discretion. Okay? But I need you to remain calm and cooperating with me.
System do it to you. I hear you though, I hear you.
She just got her STNA license, had been working to become a foster mom, and now it's all jeopardized.
I ain't never been to jail in a day in my life. A day in my life. Just got my STNA license. I'm trying to be a foster mom. Literally trying my best to get a bigger vehicle. Just doing all this shit for my babies just to be a disappointment to them, dog. Please just go away, y'all. It's all right. Just go away, y'all. No, just go away, y'all.
I'm gonna gonna try to find you some paper towels, but right now I don't.
Can you please, literally, like, if y'all gonna take me. Don't take my baby dad because we don't got nobody out here. I don't trust nobody out here with my kids.
He's not going to jail, okay?
Oh my God! Hey, can't nobody hear? Shit, calm the down. Can y'all? Can you hear me? Can you tell him to calm the down? And can I get my phone? My fiance. Can I get my phone too? No, I'm talking. I know. I'm talking about like, can you get it in case like I get released?
I have it.
Okay. I didn't know if you had it.
No, I picked it up. I got it.
Okay. Thank you.
I've been honest with you, okay? CSB is now involved. So it's going to be up to CSB if they want to give them, they're on their way here. It's going to be up to them if they want to give them over to your boyfriend, okay? Like I said, I'm gonna let them know everything that's going on. Everything
Can I talk to him too?
Of course. Before anything happens, I will let you.
I'm not from here. I don't know.
And before anything happens, I will let you say goodbye. Okay?
I'm really doing all this is for my babies. Like my life is ruined. My babies is okay. I take care of them. I do everything for them. I just got my STNA license. Like I'm trying to become a foster mom myself. But now that's over. Like, I feed my kids, I pay my kids, I do everything with my kids. They're not getting abused. I just let them.
I promise you, I will call.
This is the first time ever.
Okay. And
I don't drive with them all in the car like that because it's too many police out here. Personally, I'm scared of Ohio police. Like, I've never even gotten pulled over. I just feel like I just up their life. Like I just literally got my license to become a nurse. Like I just took the test. I just passed the test. I was practicing so hard and studying so hard for that shit. It is. Well, you can't have nothing on your record. You can't go to jail. Like from what they telling me, like I didn't ruin it. I didn't ruin my kids. Like I got them. That's my starting 5 right there. All boys. My starting 5. All they names begin with an M. That's my starting 5, and I'm sitting up here getting handcuffs put on me. My kids want to be the police. Not even real. Now they gonna be taunted. Like, oh, no, mommy, you gonna. This judge literally about to be mean as to me. I already know this shit coming. I already know. I don't have good luck. I don't have good luck. I'm sorry for even yelling when y'all.
That's okay. Listen, that's why I just stood there and waited. Whenever you were done, we were gonna have a conversation. Because I'm not gonna argue with an adult. I'll wait.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
All right.
Alrighty.
There's going to be a custody meeting in the morning to determine what happens next.
Mom.
Yes.
I'm Erica from Children's Services.
Oh, hello.
And so at this moment, I know you wanted to talk to somebody.
Yes.
And I know they said that they're gonna take you down because they arrested you, and they're gonna cite you, and you're gonna go down to the jail. Now, did you have any questions? They're gonna have a meeting if you get out early enough at 11 o'clock at the agency to discuss what happens to the kids.
I just honestly wanted to talk to somebody because I'm trying to become a foster mom.
Okay.
I'm a good person.
Well, I guess the main thing is that the kids weren't restrained and anything could have happened. You could have gotten in a car accident.
I understand that, but I'm trying to be a foster mom myself.
Okay.
I don't want my babies to get taken away from me. That's it.
Well, at this moment, they're going to go with us, but we're trying to figure out what's going on.
No.
We have a lot of people out here who want to take the kids.
Yes, I got that. That's their family.
That's what we're trying to work out now.
I don't want nobody to take my kids unless it's their family.
Okay, and then like I said, we're trying to work that out now.
They can go with their relatives. I don't want no one to take my babies.
Okay.
That's all I'm concerned about. I'm trying to be a foster mom myself.
Okay.
And this just ruined my life. Like, it was an altercation at the park. I was not paying attention.
Okay.
I had an altercation with a lady, and so did another lady.
So y'all sped off to get away?
No, I didn't. They started fighting, and I just gathered my kids in the car.
Now, what park was that?
This one down the street, Firestone. I come up here a lot, and I never ever had problems at this park.
Okay.
You know, because we live right around the corner. I'm not from here. I'm from Michigan, and I hear good things. Like, everybody tell me I live in a good environment.
Okay.
And I was just trying to go take my kids to, because his aunt was telling me that they had a splash pad.
Like this?
I'm literally a good person. I just got my STNA license. I just bad.
Well, like I said, we're gonna try to figure it out tomorrow.
I don't want my. Can they go with their?
That's what my supervisor's with me. We're gonna grab the kids. We're gonna figure it out because there's a process to all this. So what we're gonna do is get that process going so it don't take all night to get these kids somewhere.
Why can't they go with their dad though?
Well, that's what they're looking at. They don't know yet. They trying to
Cause like
call.
he can go to my house like.
So you have any other questions? Cause I'm gonna help her get the kids in the car.
Yeah, like where are they going? Like who car would they be getting in?
The van right there, and then I have a seat in mine.
And then are you guys? Cause my kids like they gonna flip out.
Well, we'll try to get them in. We got help.
They can't go with their aunt and their.
Well, right
their
now
aunts.
we don't know. We have to do the background checks and all that. There's a process.
So when would they be going? Like,
we gotta work something out tonight. Cause we don't like to keep kids overnight. So tonight will be where we make the call. So we headed back to the agency. We're gonna grab the kids, head back to the agency, make sure they good. And then do the background checks and see if anybody gets approved.
I cannot.
So like I said, we'll follow up. There's a meeting tomorrow at 11 if you get out. If not, we'll let them know where you're at.
And then they're like, am I losing custody of my kids?
At this moment, Summit County Services has custody.
And at this moment, all she can do is cry and ask for mercy.
Hey, everybody, dog. Hey, everybody, dog. I hate everybody. I hate everybody. They don't come around me, dog. I hate everybody, dog. I'm not kicking it. I'm just stumping my feet. I want my baby. I want my babies. I just want my baby.
Take a breath and calm down.
Can I please kiss my babies?
Causing an issue.
I'm trying to get y'all attention. Nobody is answering me. I want to kiss my babies. I keep saying that.
We want you to be as strong as you know you can be. I know you can be strong.
I try. I'm doing my best, man. I just graduated. I just got my SDNA license. I'm trying to be a foster mommy.
I need you to stay calm.
One mistake.
I need you to stay calm, baby. I need
One
you to stay
mistake. I'm really going away from my baby.
Come on. You gotta go back there.
How do you do that? I can't even hug my baby's body or nothing. Bye-bye, baby. Bye-bye. Love you.
23 assists.
The mother was charged with 5 counts of child endangerment. She was later released and reunited with her children under CPS supervision.
Lady, I'm gonna hit you.
Do you want to be?
Not fucking hit you. You're not gonna fucking touch me, you whore. It's hard. I'm trying.
And without keeping everyone waiting too long, we will immediately move on to the second situation. It was the 4th of July, but the sparks flying weren't just from fireworks. Officers were dispatched to a DUI crash scene, where a woman immediately refused to cooperate.
Ma'am, can you come over here real quick?
No, I can't. Can you come here?
Can you come over here real quick?
I can't. Can you come here? What do you need?
Can you step over here? I just want to talk to you.
No, I cannot. Can you come here?
I just want to talk to you. Can you come over here?
Can you come right here? What do you need?
Can you step over here real quick?
No, I cannot. Can you step over here?
You need to walk away from the car.
I don't care what you're telling me. I'm telling you, walk over to here. Don't touch me. Don't touch me, lady. Don't touch me. I'm not doing nothing. I'm standing right here.
Come on.
No. I'm right here talking to him.
Nicole.
You don't have to pull me.
Nicole.
Get off of me.
Walk
Yeah, I'm right here talking to him.
No.
You don't have to put your hands on me. Don't play with me.
Stop.
Nicole.
No.
Over here.
No.
Come on.
I know my right. You got your body camera.
Okay, can you? Yes, Bella, can go.
Okay, I am right here.
Walk away from your
No, don't touch me. Don't touch me.
See how
Let
you
go of
do
me.
this? Do you
No,
see how
I
you
could have been
do
right there. What the you gotta move? Why?
Because I asked you.
No, because
Okay.
that's that
Okay.
right
All right,
there.
well, you're gonna stay over
Don't
here.
touch me again.
You're gonna
Don't
stay over
touch me
here.
again. No,
You're gonna
because
stay over
that's
here.
public right there. You gotta
This
be
is public
fucked up.
too. Nicole, stop.
Tell her to take her hands off of me.
Stop. You need to stop.
Hey.
Are you gonna stop?
Hey, bro.
Are you gonna stop?
I ain't doing nothing to disrespect nobody. There ain't no
Okay,
reason
nobody's
I couldn't
disrespecting you.
stand right.
We're telling you to stop and stay right here. You're gonna stop and stay right here.
Tell her get her hands
I'm not
off
touching
of
you
me.
right now.
All right.
Don't touch me. There ain't no reason. You see how you're gonna come down the road 25 doing that? You tell me.
Okay. Are you gonna listen?
No, I ain't. What?
Just let her know what we're doing.
Okay. So pretty much the crash investigation's over.
And where's it at? Cause I ain't
Listen,
seen
guys,
nobody
it's not
here.
done.
We're gonna start.
Insurance
criminal DUI investigation.
Nope. Insurance to insurance.
Okay. We have
no
to read
insurance.
I'm gonna read you something real quick. Are you gonna listen?
Nope. I'm not.
I'm gonna read it to you.
I'm not gonna listen.
All right, Nicole. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you. Nicole.
Refuse to hear your Miranda rights? Don't worry, the consequences speak loud and clear.
Don't touch me, lady. I'm gonna hit you.
Do you want to be?
No,
You're gonna
bro.
be put in handcuffs.
Don't touch me. She's not. Don't touch me, lady. Don't touch me. What the fuck? You're not gonna touch me, you whore. Over some bullshit. You're a pussy ass bitch. You know Todd's gonna you up. You got me all the way up. I ain't doing anymore. You know my rights?
Get up.
I can't.
It's your
You know
son.
my rights?
Nicole.
I bet you won't fucking play with me when I'm unhandcuffed. Bet you won't do it. Bet you won't do it. I don't give a fuck.
You're gonna get charged.
You won't with me when I'm unhandcuffed.
Yeah, you're real scary.
Oh, you're real scary. I'm real scary now that I'm handcuffed right now. Right now, you are.
Nicole, you can scream
You're
all
gonna
you
let her talk shit to me.
You can scream all you
I
want.
think that I'm supposed to hear her silent.
Nicole, you can scream all you want.
You know this is my. You know this is the deal.
Go up against the. Go up against the
Y'all
car.
all on camera. Y'all got up. Push on my glasses for me, could you please? You're right on camera because we're right here at Brandon Lamley's. I know y'all have heard
Nicole,
that name
enough.
more than one time. That. I know y'all have heard. He killed my brother.
Thank you.
You. Get me in the goddamn car. Get me in the car.
You're gonna search you. You're gonna get searched.
I don't give a fuck. What you gonna serve? My pussy? That ain't the search. Don't touch me.
Hey,
bro.
stop kicking,
Don't
Nicole.
have her
Stop
touch me.
kicking.
That ain't nothing to search. Get her off of me. I'm not doing nothing.
You're.
I didn't kick.
Yeah.
I'm going like this. This is me going like this. This is my privacy. They're trying to touch my pussy. Look how they're hitting me. Look how they're hitting me, bro. Look how they're doing me. You're gonna do me like that? I got people who work for your facility. You know that, right? Yeah, look.
Nicole,
What'd you find?
you're just getting searched.
What'd
Listen.
you find? What'd you find? Nah, bro. Take me. Look at her choking me and shit.
Here, let me get
Take your fucking. Where's your body cam?
Nicole, let her search. You're just getting searched,
Where's
Nicole.
it at?
This is on.
Is yours on?
No, it's charging.
Okay, well I want it on now.
Theirs is on.
No, that. Is yours on?
It's on.
The whole time while she's grabbing me, yanking me.
Can you hold
So
that?
she's gonna.
Oh, you don't have
it's
gloves
gonna-
on.
Stop, mother. Hey,
They have to
hey!
you.
You better tell this.
She's only searching your waistline. Like, relax.
No.
I need her off the car so I can grab her.
No. That.
Just to make sure you.
I don't give a. I ain't got nothing on me. She don't need to be hitting me.
Nicole.
She don't need that.
Nicole.
No! She don't need to rough me up if I ain't roughing you up! Yes, she was. Yes, she did. I ain't got nothing!
Nicole, if you kick again.
I'm not gonna kick. Get her off of me. Get her off of me. I ain't got nothing. Get her the off of me, bro. Get her off of me.
Get in front.
Don't slam me.
Nobody's slamming you.
Hey, you just hurt my pussy. On here. Push on my.
Nicole!
You're gonna get sprayed. Don't do that. No.
You guys check them at all?
Huh?
You guys check her cuffs?
She's fighting me. She kicked me 3 times.
You gotta get pepper sprayed if you do
It hurts
that.
like a motherfucker.
Keep kicking and you'll get pepper
It
spray.
hurts like a bitch, man.
She kicked me 3 times. Ended up on the ground. I'm done with
She
it.
took her down, and yeah, there's no talking to her at this
No
point.
talking to her. We're done. If she kicks, let us know. We'll come spray.
The car has to be towed. It was used in the commission of a DUI.
You got a ticket, traffic ticket?
Yeah, so she's gonna get it. It's gonna be on her property.
It's gonna be on your property, okay?
And
Well, for what? Like for speeding and what else? Stop sign?
And DUI.
And for what else?
For DUI.
Alright, that's
She has tickets from us for DUI, so she's gonna have paperwork for that.
Okay. All right. Are you okay to drive? Yeah, I'm fine.
We have to tow it.
It's 4th of July, man. You know, shit.
We have to tow it for our policy.
You know, okay. All right.
Yeah.
No, yeah.
You're gonna have to walk.
Why not?
Yeah.
Why can't they take the deal?
It's against our policy. I can't let you drive that car. It has to be towed because it was used in the commission of a DUI.
Man.
I know. It's kind of crappy, but there's nothing I can do. I'll get in trouble if I don't tow it. So.
Yeah. You have the keys?
It's already there. Okay. Everything's in there.
You live close
If you have something of value in there, you want to get out, you can.
Yeah, I live down 2 blocks.
Yeah. We're gonna do it. Okay. Thank you. I'll send Braden down for the car. Of course they are.
The what?
She's probably getting up on the grass again.
No! Please! Get your leg back. No! Why the f*** not the hell?
Can I just put my sunglasses up here? Or does it hurt?
Yeah, can you hold my phone?
My shit just loosened and it hurts so fucking bad.
You said they're about to fall off.
I mean, they're not going to come off, but they do not need to be looser than they are.
Like, we need to tighten them?
At this point, it's not clear if she's angrier at the heat, the cuffs, or the officer, sir, all three.
Alright, spin around.
You're gonna be in the news. Why are you roughing me up, bro?
Spin around and stop.
Why are you roughing me up?
Stop.
Why are you doing? Why are you slinging on me?
Because you're acting like an idiot.
No, I'm asking you to loosen it because it
Oh, you
hurts
don't
so
get
bad.
drunk and act a fool.
Yeah, fuck your mom.
Yeah, yes.
I'm asking you
Actually-
because y'all got me in a hot ass car.
Just like that.
I'm gonna put y'all on the goddamn news. You got me up. You got me up.
AC on full blast.
I don't give a you just put it on. And you're roughhousing me.
Nobody's
And you're rough. Yes, he is. Look at him hurting my wrist.
Could've
Look
been
at him.
doing. We wouldn't have to do this.
Ain't nobody doing nothing.
Alright, now
I'm
let's
sitting here
properly.
asking you to loosen me up.
Nicole.
Look at what he's
Nicole.
doing to me. It's hot. Let's go. It's hot.
The AC's on.
No fucking air.
The AC is on for you.
From the plastic.
The AC is on.
I'm gonna heat exhaustion. And y'all gonna be on the goddamn news. I already got y'all on the news. They're already calling them already. Come on. Come on. You're going to jail, man. Time to leave.
So, is there another deal?
No.
Huh? What's doing? What's Braden doing?
Braden? Oh, that guy was in her car. I don't know. We're towing it though, so it's not like we're gonna let them take it.
There's somebody yelling.
Was he just trying to drive?
Yeah.
Say again?
She's a fun one.
I mean, just trying to talk.
Hey! Hey! Tell them to open
Hey,
the
can you
fucking
not?
door. Tell them to open the fucking door so I can breathe.
Nicole!
Tell them to open the door so I can breathe.
Nicole!
Fuck you. Y'all liars. Open the door so I can breathe. I ain't get no fucking hair. I ain't get no fucking hair.
Well, if you stop screaming, you'll be able to breathe.
No fucking hair.
Nicole, the AC's on in the back.
If you can scream, you can breathe.
And what are my charges?
Yeah.
What are my charges? I want to know. I haven't been read my Miranda. Nothing. I want to know. So I'm sitting in this car for what reason? Against the law.
Put her legs through there. Pull it tight to the door jamb and to the front door jamb.
They didn't run me my Miranda. They told me my charges. Push my glasses up for me, please. Please, they got me in this hot ass car, sir. Please, look at them. They're talking to me for no reason. They're not telling me nothing. Look at them. No! No! Don't let them do this. Beth, please don't let them do this. It's hard. I'm trying to. Look at him. Officer! Officer! Officer!
Just throw these in the car. Thank you, I appreciate it.
The one behind it. nothing in here to hook it to.
There's no metal piece underneath the seat. Yeah, it's gonna be a DUI to just start fighting. Her AC's on the back, so she can breathe.
Cool. Okay. Why is it so freaking hot today? I'm dying.
Yeah.
The woman was sentenced to 36 months probation, DUI school, fines, and community service. What a stubborn Karen, right? Stay tuned because the next Karen reacts even more aggressively.
In handcuffs.
Okay, but here's the thing.
Do you want to catch a resisting charge?
No, see
Okay,
no.
On the 1st of February, 2025, officers in Illinois responded to a home following reports of a woman refusing to leave.
What's going on?
My mom has power of attorney for my aunt.
Okay.
Her husband died like 3-4 weeks ago.
Okay.
So her business partner from California, his business partner from California showed up here and is trying to take her back to California with her.
Why does he believe that he has any right to do that?
Because she's nuts. She pretty much says that, well, it's a female, that they were brother and sister out there, and the family, they're trying to say the family doesn't care about her. So she won't acknowledge that her name's Michiko, has dementia and can't make her own decisions.
Okay.
So my mom has power of attorney. She's doctor ordered that Michiko's not in decisional makers. Elder care is involved, so they're here too.
Okay.
So elder care wanted us to call the police for at least a report.
Okay.
I know it's civil, it's everything else. Our worry is that as soon as we leave, that they're take her, load her up in a car, and get her on a plane, take her to California.
Okay. Are they the people from California? Are they here?
Yes.
Okay.
They have a lot of money.
Okay.
They have a bunch of apartment complexes out in LA.
Mm-hmm.
So.
But at the end of the day, your mom has power of attorney.
So that's what all stems from, is them trying to get isolated out there for the apartments and the money, because this is the lady that manages the apartments for my great aunt and uncle while they were in California.
Okay.
So, I got her name. I got her info from if you want it.
Cool.
They live here.
So essentially, they just want her in California because they think the family's not taking care of her. Is that what you're saying?
No, they want her out in California. She has round-the-clock care here.
Yeah.
She pays for 24-hour care.
Okay.
They want her in California so they can get the money.
Okay.
No, that's what it is.
Okay.
They're trying to claim that, oh, we're best friends with her, everything else, but it's all, they want control over these apartments and everything else, which is all in court process right now. Again, I know it's civil, but
didn't she already go to California and one of them ended up in the hospital because they weren't being taken care of?
yeah, they got her out to California 3 or 4, I don't know, probably 6 months ago, and they declined like crazy in the 2 months they were out there because they weren't being taken care of. And then they came back and he died, and now and then my mom's stuck dealing with it because she's the closest. They don't have any kids, so it's just my mom.
Okay.
As the power of attorney.
Okay.
So she's not the lady that's here. She's not going to talk to you. She's very.
She won't speak to me either.
She won't speak. I don't even know her phone.
When police confronted the unwelcome visitor, she was polite but evasive.
You don't mind if I step on that?
This is Miss Pappas from California. This
Hello.
is her daughter.
How you doing, guys? So what's going on?
How's them? I don't know. We haven't tried.
Well, there's two sides to every story.
Well, the best thing is for you to contact my attorney.
So you guys don't want to talk to me?
Sorry.
No,
Take
no.
offense.
You can do what you want to do. How you doing?
I'm fine. How about you?
Oh, just peachy. What's going on?
Well, I'm power of attorney for my aunt.
Mm-hmm.
She has dementia. She's
Sure.
been determined. I think she's non-decisional by the doctor. I have the paperwork in
Yeah,
my
that's what they
car.
were saying outside.
And they're pressuring her about coming back to California. Want to to know who's going to buy the apartments. They're using Google Translate to try to talk to her in Japanese.
I just don't understand that, you know, you have...
She keeps saying she wants to stay here.
Even then, you know, you have power of attorney, so even if she wants to go, you, at the end of the day, have final say. I mean, I don't need to explain that to you, but I'm sorry, I don't mean to tower over you or anything. Is there
tower over everybody?
Yeah, it's a thing.
So I think they should leave.
Okay. This is, I mean, they don't have any legal right to be here, so if you would like them to leave.
They supposedly came to pay respects to my uncle because they're good friends.
Okay.
But ever since she got here, it's just been because she was doing the same thing last night. You need to come to California.
Okay. So we just want them to...
Despite lacking any legal right to remain, she's camped out in the house, insisting she's welcome based on a vague past visit.
All right, you guys don't want to talk to me? Do we want to head out? You don't want to leave?
When we head out from here?
Yeah, from the residence. From the residence.
I'm going tomorrow.
You're going tomorrow?
Yes.
What are we doing here now?
Talk to my attorney, please.
No, I'm just asking a question. This isn't
I know, but
in regards to anything with...
No, I don't want to talk.
You don't want to talk?
No, sorry.
No, I mean, if you don't want to talk to me, you don't want to talk to me. I'm just trying to
I
understand,
would,
you know.
Good-looking dude, but a shirt.
I appreciate it. You're gonna make me blush, but at the end of the day, I'm just trying to figure out what's going on. I understand you're here. Is there a reason why we're camping out? I'm being respectful. I would appreciate if you would do the same. So are we just gonna camp out here forever? Is what I'm.
We're leaving tomorrow. We came to visit.
You came to visit?
Yeah.
Was this a planned visit? They said you guys, hey, you could come over and hang out and spend the night and stay as long as you want. So you came out to visit, and you just decided that you're
Pay my respects.
I'm sorry. You came out to pay your respects.
And to see that, go to the cemetery, yes.
Okay, and then you just decided that you're gonna stay here while you do that.
We did that before.
I'm sorry.
She did it before.
Who did what before?
She came out here and stayed in this room.
No, it was tough, Jane.
Okay, but what I'm asking is, did the guardian give you permission to stay this time? Looking forward, if she doesn't want you here, then you don't stay here.
Why would you say that? She doesn't want us here? Why would
No.
you say that?
No, she would like you guys to leave.
No, she didn't.
She just told me.
I think she wants everybody to leave. They don't want you here. He's kicking you out.
We don't want to sign. You don't have to sign a no trespass order. We don't want to have to sign that, which we can do if we need.
She doesn't make her decisions. She has power of attorney. She speaks for Michiko. If she doesn't want you here, then you guys have to leave. Do you understand what I'm kind of getting at?
If you talk to me.
I understand I could talk to her, but even if I talk to her, whatever she says doesn't hold any water because she has power of attorney.
Yeah, but
Michiko has dementia, correct?
I'm an MD.
Regardless, from a legal aspect, she has power of attorney, correct?
I don't know. I don't think
she does.
I think she can make decisions.
Okay, well, even if she does make her decisions right now in the moment, she has power of attorney. So that trumps whatever she's saying right now. Okay, I'm not going to go 12 rounds with you. From a legal standpoint, she has power of attorney. She doesn't want you in the residence, so she's asking you politely.
Continued refusal will result in a ticket. She now faces a $300 Finian potential arrest.
They need to leave or they will be arrested for trespass.
Correct. So I have a trespass here. I'm going to fill it out. If they refuse to leave, are we going 95 with a 80-year-old woman?
We're not going to, no. Trespass is not a detainable offense. So
Well, I mean, that's obstructing if she refuses to leave, isn't it?
I would tell her that's what's going to happen. Be like, look, you're going to have to go. So
Okay.
she don't live there. She don't live there, right?
No, they're from California. They explained to me one time that they came out here and stayed. It's like, so you stayed here one time, so you're just on the assumption that anytime you come out, you're free to stay here for as long as you want?
I would tell them, I talked to my supervisor, you have to leave or I'm going to have to issue a citation if you don't, and possibly arrest. So.
Okay. Sounds good. Do I need to explain this?
Yeah.
These are trespass notices. So you guys can you step out with me so I'm not talking over her?
If Diana stay here, you
Ma'am.
stay here.
Ma'am,
Well, now you just said everyone's still here.
ma'am, can you step out with me so I don't talk over it with her? Okay. So you guys are going to be trespassed from the property. I'm going to give you this. If you refuse to leave, you're going to get a ticket for $300 a head. If you refuse to leave after that, you're going to be leaving in handcuffs. Is that the route we want to go?
See that you said three things that contradict.
That is not contradicting. She understands perfectly.
Speak louder.
I'm going to be giving you a trespass notice. After I give you this notice, if you refuse to leave, I'm going to give you a city citation for trespassing. If you refuse to leave after that, you're going to leave here in handcuffs. I'm giving you a trespass paper. If you refuse to leave after that, I'm giving you a city ticket for trespassing. If you don't leave after that, you're going in handcuffs.
Who called me? Diane is doing it to us. Diane, he just said, Diane is doing something that making me kicking me out.
This is my house.
I understand.
Let her,
I understand.
she understands,
Nope,
but she's not
nope.
listening.
Power of
Diana
attorney.
called.
Yeah, Diane.
No.
Power of attorney. And
yes.
and
Explain it to her. She knows.
I'm not explaining.
She's in shock.
I'm not explaining to her. Okay. I need IDs.
How come she do like this?
She's in the kitchen waiting. She's gonna see. You're gonna see me in handcuffs because Diane's kicking me out.
So we're refusing to leave.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have an ID on you?
Yes.
If you don't leave right now, you're going in handcuffs.
Now.
Correct. You need to collect your belongings and head out the door.
What was the whole ticket thing?
If you refuse to leave, you get a city citation for trespassing. If you refuse to leave after that, that's where obstruction of justice comes into play.
Oh, is this the ticket?
That is a trespass notice. So if you're refusing now, you get a $300 ticket. So I mean, if you guys want to add a couple $300 tickets and a charge, we can go that route, but I would prefer not to do that.
What do you call trespassing? What do you call trespassing?
That's a warning. It's a warning
For what?
for trespassing.
I'm in her home, not Diane's home.
If you go, Diana all go, you stay here.
Okay, I'm gonna stay here.
Okay.
And I don't want to go 15 rounds with you. She has power of attorney. She's asking you to leave. I'm asking you politely.
I don't need.
No, thank
Okay,
you.
I'm going to get the tickets.
They're gonna handcuff me.
We got body cameras going now.
Yeah, and they can. Please help me. I want to pay. Open the door. Please come. She was praying. Thank you. He's on the
Somebody
door.
lock you all.
Look at the cops are coming here to arrest me.
I'll get out of the way.
They're coming here to arrest me.
Hi.
Hi.
How's it going?
Oh, I'm a little sick. Worry.
All right. Oh, I want to talk to her.
No, I don't talk to you.
No. She didn't do nothing.
No, we didn't say she did anything. I just want to talk.
No, you want to grab me and throw me in your car. That's what he said.
She don't do nothing.
Are you going to handcuff? He said you're handcuffing me.
Yeah.
That's not what I said.
You said you're hauling me away.
Correct.
If I don't leave.
Said I was serving you with a trespass, and then I was giving you a ticket. And if you
That's fine.
refuse to leave after that, you were going to leave in handcuffs. Correct.
Yeah. I'm
So
leaving.
why won't you leave?
At this point, she's not just staying, she's obstructing.
My best friend died. I was not notified by them that he died.
Okay.
And I haven't called, nobody called me. I don't know if he's, I heard through the person that he's dead. And they sent a notice that the funeral was the day before, so they wouldn't let me come. So I picked out this weekend to come after I got composed to visit me and to go to the cemetery. And we did that. My airline ticket leaves tomorrow. I have my
Okay.
yeah.
She's lots
But
help.
And you can
Many years, you know, family. My husband.
Okay, but here's the thing.
What?
You're being asked to leave. You've
Okay,
outstayed
and
your
I'm
welcome.
saying, no, I leave tomorrow night.
But you don't have that option. You
Why
do not
not?
live here.
I'm just spending one more night. I come from California. My daughter comes from Michigan.
That is
They
a
don't
moot
care.
point. That's a moot point.
Okay.
So that's the reason why you're being asked to leave, because you're no longer welcome here.
No, she welcomed me. She's the
She's not the one that's saying it. She doesn't have the capacity to do that. And you know dang well she don't. And that's why you're pulling this. We're not trying to be physical with you and forcefully get you out of here.
He's
But
gonna handcuff me.
that
finally.
will happen.
They're going to handcuff me.
It will happen if she doesn't choose to leave on her own. And I don't want that.
I told them my plane ticket goes tomorrow night.
He don't want you
Here. They're going to hold me.
stay here.
Right. For one more night.
No.
Right.
And it's not up to her.
Well, it is up. This is her home.
It's not up to her.
Why
It's
is
up to the power of attorney, and the power of attorney is making that decision. But you totally understand
There's
what's
no
going on,
reason
and
for
you're
her
manipulating
asking
the situation.
Well, no, for her asking me to leave to visit my best friend. Are you kidding me?
Well-
Of 40-some years, she's gonna have me arrested because she doesn't want me to stay here.
Can we get her out of here?
You don't want to go sit in the kitchen. Yeah.
Don't touch me.
Well, don't block me.
You're taking up way too much of our time. Is this your purse?
Yes.
You want to grab it because you're going to be escorted out. And then you're going to go wherever you have to go. But you're no longer welcome.
She's 75 years old and weighs just 83 pounds, but the law doesn't make exceptions for stubbornness.
Look at, they take, look at, they won't let me come.
Don't do.
I'm not doing anything.
Yeah, excuse me.
No.
Excuse me.
No.
Let me through. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me.
No. Please, don't do. Please.
Excuse me. Look.
No, don't do it. I don't.
All right. We don't want to arrest you, but that's what's going to happen if you don't leave.
I'm leaving. Want to see my airline
You're leaving
ticket tomorrow
right
night.
now. You're leaving right now.
No, because I've done nothing wrong.
Yes, you have.
What?
Trespassing. You're trespassing after you've been asked to leave.
No,
And now I'm giving you a lawful order to leave. And if you don't, you're obstructing my order. I'm the supervisor that's in charge. Okay?
Antoinette, I don't. She's.
Me.
You caused us to take you to the police department. Nope, you did. Your actions. Your actions.
Why? Because I
Because
don't
you're
listen.
an adult. You are an adult.
She's an adult lying.
She is in charge. How old are you?
75.
Then act it. Stand up.
You're lying. You guys are
I'm
lying.
not lying.
Yes, you are, because
She doesn't want you here. She has power of attorney. She's asking you to leave. You're not leaving. I gave you an order to leave. You obstructed a lawful order. You're under arrest for obstructing a police officer. Let's go.
No.
She'll have to be picked up so you can bring it back there. Her belongings.
At the police
700
department.
West Lincoln
I'll
Highway.
give you the address. Give us a second. So let me ask you this.
Yes.
I'll give you one more chance.
I've done nothing
If you
wrong.
leave on your own accord,
Tomorrow 7 o'clock.
right now, I will not arrest you. Okay.
I've done nothing wrong.
I don't know. I mean,
I've done nothing wrong. This is,
if I get her out, I can't bring you here. What's
yes,
the
you
point?
can.
No, they're gonna
There
call
are
the
plenty of hotels in town.
No, thank you.
Okay. If she has the power of attorney, and
Did
Meet
you-
Nicole is
wait,
her name?
See the power of attorney. It's for health.
Do you want
I'm
to
not.
get your resisting charge?
No, see the
Okay, stop
no.
pulling, please. You're going to hurt yourself.
I'm saying, see
You're
the
going to
power of
hurt
attorney.
yourself.
Have a seat. Thank you.
My wrist. Can you redo it? Because it's twisted the bone. And
I don't know what
did
to
you
tell
see
you.
Did you see her power of attorney?
My officer already talked to him.
You saw the power of attorney. You didn't see it.
All right. I'll make sure she gets all her stuff and the daughter gets out of here. We'll take her down, just book her and photograph her and cut her loose.
Do you need a hand?
Yes. Thank you.
I don't want to pull you out.
It's only weight and not enough weight to carry down.
Huh?
Not enough weight because I'm only 83 pounds.
Okay.
My
April 14th, 2024. Officers respond to a street brawl involving a large group of teenagers.
Hey, everybody leave right now. Right now. Hey, boy, hey, you better walk, boy.
That's what he don't got shit to do with it. I swear. God damn, murder, boy, y'all tripping. Stop. Watch out. Get up. Watch out.
Now put the blessings on me. Are you outside?
Hey, watch out. Watch out. Weird. I'll take you out. Chill out. I swear to weird, bro. Weird, bro. Oh, y'all weird. Weird.
One woman attempts to approach, insisting she's just trying to see her daughter, but her entrance only escalates things.
Okay. We can get some too.
Take a step back now. Well, I don't care about no police. I don't care.
Okay. You okay? What you about to do?
Wait, hey.
Get the fuck up.
I don't care. You okay? Hold on. I'm gonna put my hands behind my back.
Put your hands behind your back then.
This how you gotta do, baby. I ain't did shit because I just said, you stay back up, I backed up.
Hey, I got some more handcuffs too. I'll take everybody.
Get my phone.
Come on, let's go. Let's all go. I know. Let's all go. Hey, she going for better than Leo. For sure. Car better than Leo. We need another car. Stop.
Give it out. Calm down. Give it out. Give me an hour to get booked in.
Where's your car?
Give me an hour to get booked in. Out, stop.
Get up. Stop all that.
No. Let me go.
Get in the car. Get in the car and get in the car.
You can't. No, they came in the bingo hall when we played bingo. All those kids ran the bingo hall. And I would have told Sade, her daughter came in bingo hall. They came in the bingo hall.
Listen.
It's my sister that's hanging at this time. My sister in the back of that car.
She's going to jail right now because we're resisting.
She's swung on me. So they don't come out. Listen, I try to deal with y'all. I let y'all do what y'all gotta do. Leave. But when y'all start coming out,
why she got to go, sir?
she's going.
Because she was out of control, but we just getting into a situation.
Because as soon as when she comes up, she starts walking towards us saying she don't give a fuck.
That's new?
No, that's old.
That's
from this morning.
She on me, sir.
Listen.
We just upset. We just getting the trigger gun on our phone. We got to do 100.
And she's told to leave, and she's just continuing to escalate everything.
Right.
So she's going to go for a resisting charge right now.
That's your car. You got to go. Calm down. That's fine, Dave. See what's going on. You want to take me to jail? I didn't touch you or nobody. I just want to see what's going on.
Oh sure, she insists she never laid a finger on anyone. Too bad the body cam didn't get the memo.
I ain't come to fight nobody, sir. I ain't no fighter. I've been over that. If that was because I promise, I promise if I came to fight.
So it was all recorded when I told you to step back and you said, I don't give a
all I said. That's all I said.
Swinging your hands.
That was it. I didn't hit you. I didn't hit nobody. I didn't come here to fight. I'm coming to see what's going on. Because every time they leave this house, it's something. So I was coming to see what the
going on? What did y'all do?
Well, they keep them in the house.
I wasn't worrying about them. I'm worrying about mine because I'm trying to figure out what did y'all do for these people to fight y'all. That's all I'm saying to them, sir. I don't fight children. I don't put my hands on people's kids. No. I just wanted to know. I was coming to her. The one just went to jail. I was coming to her because I wanted to ask her, what did you do? Because I know what she's capable of doing.
Okay.
I wasn't worried about nobody else. I was worried about her because I know what my child capable of doing. So that's why I was coming to ask her, what did you do for these people and their mama to come? That's all I was saying, sir. I ain't finna fight no children. Oh no, I don't play like that. I don't.
What's your first name?
Where
do you stay at?
I stay in Village Green. You know I stay, sir.
What apartment?
You know I stay. I don't bother nobody. I just came to see what my children doing. I didn't care.
What's a good phone number for you?
Okay, so let's talk about it. When she showed up, that's fine if she wants to yell, okay? But when she was told to get back, and she did, that's a lawful order. Because the fact of the matter is, she pulled in there hot to begin with. The situation was already resolving itself. So she reignites the situation. She reignites the situation. And then when she's told, okay, to get back, I can promise you, nobody wants to arrest you. Nobody wanted to arrest your mom. Nobody wanted to arrest any of these people out here. But the situation is just, you know, especially if you have a child at home, that child has to be your #1 priority. So to be honest with you, I'm sorry, but the further you climb in life, the more good things you get is the more good things you have to lose. Okay? So you got to learn, if somebody comes up to you that don't have as much to lose as you, leave. I know that sucks. That's a horrible thing to have to do, but it's up to you. Only you can protect what you have. That's the only
Slow down, think ahead, and realize when it's time to walk away. A lesson not just for the teens, but for the adults too.
I'm gonna charge you with the assault, which is a misdemeanor. It's better than battery on the wheel, but that's a felony. That's a much worse charge than this. It's a misdemeanor. You have a first appearance in the morning. I hate to even do it to y'all because I've never done this when people fight. Usually when y'all fight, well, I ain't gonna say y'all. When everybody fight, once I get there, it's usually over. Everybody have enough respect for the police to at least walk away. You guys kept trying to go. It was no disregard. I understand about your mom.
No, it's not my mom because Darren was the one you took the first time. He didn't do me.
He's not going. He's not in jail.
See,
you see what I'm saying?
And that's the thing. In the situation
that he's not even
exactly.
He's not even in jail.
Exactly.
Yes, your mom, she's in jail. She's in jail.
I know how she is.
But she's a full-grown adult, and she got to be responsible for her actions.
Correct. And and I'm she probably talked to you. This is the OG right here, but like I say, it's a misdemeanor. You was about to go for a felony. It's a misdemeanor. It's assault on you. I really hope this be if you guys fight or whatever, at least have enough respect for the police. I get what you're saying. I understand all that. You're the only one that went to jail. It's about 4 people went to jail. But what I'm telling you is, at least have enough respect for the police before we be able to stop. I don't care if we grab your mom. You see I grabbed the dude and you was trying to defend. He's not even going to jail. Sometimes we do stuff for safety reasons only. Just because we grab someone and put them in handcuffs, don't mean they always going to jail. Don't always mean it. It means it's too many people out here. He was poking up on me like he wanted to do something. So for my safety, before I had to either hurt him, I grabbed him and I just put him in handcuffs and put him in my car. Diffuse the situation. Everybody else got rattled up over that. It's not your job to intervene with what folks, period. I'm not going to kill none of y'all. I'm not going to hurt none of y'all unless I got to defend myself, period. So you never have to worry about that. Like, just how quick he was to put in handcuffs.
Just how quick he's out.
And you're the one who's going to jail. He's not even going to jail. So just let this be a lesson. It's a misdemeanor. It's not a felony. You wasn't a felony. You have absolutely full record, spot clean record. So I'm not a judge. I'm not a take what a judge do, but it's not the end of the world.
If you don't remember anything else, remember you've got to be smart. Or no matter if you take nothing away from anything that I said, always think before you. Even if people say, okay, you say that earlier you said you're a little slow. That's a good thing. Be slow to act. Think things through. Always think. That's a good thing. People think they smart and they do all kind of dumb stuff, and then they're quick to get themselves into trouble. When what they really should be doing is slowing down and thinking it out. Like, I mean your mom no disrespect, but if she took a second to think a little bit, she would have seen that
multiple individuals were charged with battery on law enforcement, resisting arrest, and disorderly conduct. And if you thought the parents were reckless, the shoplifters aren't much better.
Give up! I give up! I give up! Sorry.
Nah, she was hiding good. Still got it.
October 13th, 2024. Target employees in New Mexico spot two familiar faces, known shoplifters caught in the act again.
You want to go up to that second fire exit? Here they come. They're coming out, going towards Trios. Hey, police! They're running back in.
Watch that door.
Hold on, guys. We're just waiting for those guys to come out. I got it back here now. I got it.
I give up! I give up! Get down! I give up! Get down! I give up!
Please look in here.
No more taking! I give up! I give up! I give up!
I got it.
I give up! I give up, I said! I give up, I said! I give up! I give up! Where's she at?
The male suspect surrenders quickly, but his partner, she's hiding somewhere in the building.
So we have one change.
She's still inside?
We still got one female outstanding, Snappy. She's still outstanding.
White jersey.
Yeah,
we got him.
What's she wearing? She's wearing a black top.
Pull up shorts.
Picture taking with her eyes with
Sorry, we're searching for someone. You alright?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Thank you, ma'am. Appreciate you. I mean, where the f has she gone if they haven't seen her leave on the cameras yet?
Yeah. What was the last point? Like,
she went in.
She went right here.
I wonder if she's hiding at the very top.
So, right here, this is where she comes out.
Oh, nasty. Okay.
What is she?
You'll see. She's wearing like a black tank top, sports bra, put it like that, and then gray leggings. And there she is. And then.
And from here, we got her back here, 249. And she doesn't go. If she went this way, she would have gone. I would have seen her come this way. Or if she went back this way, I would have seen her come this way.
She's hiding somewhere on top then. What angle is that one?
Which one?
Like this one. So I can go over there because I don't have my phone.
This one's the back of this. This is where You go through the grocery department?
We have her only going into that that storage area where we were all at, and not coming out any other way.
Moments later, they find her wedged deep inside a stock shelf.
Where the f***? I mean, she got back inside pretty quick. Hey, let me see your hands. Let me see your hands now. Let me see your hands. Contact with one. Over here. Hey. Yes. Well, let me see your hands.
I know, I'm trying to call out.
You need to crawl out. Keep your hands out.
Okay. I'm coming down. Sorry.
Nah, she was hiding good. Hold on. Damn it.
Okay, come on, friend.
Give us 1 second. Look at Master Finder.
I told you. Called it.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, my radio's not working.
Put me to shame.
I don't know if you guys heard, but we have one to change something.
No, it's funny. I watched her breaking like one of the goals, but that's
Where was she, like underneath? Was she underneath? Maybe, I tell you what.
Do you have anything in your bra or anything?
No, I don't. I don't have nothing on me.
Where you going? I figured. Here's my buzz radio. So. Oh yeah.
Can you stand in front of this unit, please? Spread your feet apart. Do you have anything in your shoes?
No.
Hold your pants, okay?
Come on, Leonard. Come on, bro.
She has nothing on him, bro. Nothing at all.
You guys have a Bluetooth? No?
Where's my car, bro? Where's your feet? Where did you guys come in, bro?
What?
Did you guys come in a vehicle? No. Which homies were giving you the heads up?
Officers initiate a traffic stop after witnessing a vehicle cut across multiple lanes without warning.
Hey, Sergeant Chris, you're on Police Department. The reason why I'm pulling you over, you cut across all lanes of traffic right there.
Oh shit.
No worries, you got your license, registration, insurance?
My insurance is on here.
Okay.
I know, I was cut across at the last second.
Yeah.
I know. I looked, I made sure no one was coming.
No,
I didn't know,
the car had to hit the brakes. I couldn't even pull you over right away because I passed right around you. I had to freaking drive all the way up and do a U-turn.
I'm sorry. Registration's right here.
Registration, insurance, and license. Thank you.
You scared the hell out of me, I'm so sorry. I was on my phone texting.
You got some paper from the DMV there?
Yeah, because I had to get, I think it's a D6 or something.
What's that?
License according to Florida State.
Oh, so your license, you need to reinstate it, so you
No, I did. No, I did.
When'd you reinstate it? What's that paper say?
Her voice shakes as officers move in on something they spotted earlier, that yellow pill bottle in the console.
This letter is that you're driving included.
Yes, it's all the older ones. I
Okay.
have all the, yeah. See, I have all
So where's your license at then, since it was reinstated? And when did you get it reinstated at?
At the DMV.
No, what day?
It was right on this paper. I'm glad I kept all this in here.
You live at the Osceola Drive?
I just moved into Mascot. Right.
How long ago?
Not even a full month. Not even a full month ago, and I don't even really know the address. I know it's right before Smith Road.
Your license is suspended.
Wait, how? I just paid it. I literally just paid it.
So I'm gonna look and see if you got any history of being pulled over or anything like that. If you got any tickets since it's been suspended, stuff like that, okay? So if it has been, if you know, just let me know. Be honest with me.
I am being honest. I am. Look, I just paid it. And my insurance goes up on the 6th of this month.
Do you have insurance?
Yes, I have Geico.
Alright, I'll find out why it's suspended and tell you. While I'm getting all your information, do you mind if Officer Balderas checks the vehicle for any guns, drugs, weapons, just for mine? Peace of mind?
Any what?
Any guns, drugs, weapons? Is there anything in the car that we need to know about?
No. I have.
Well, don't reach for it and say you have.
No. I'm saying like my boyfriend has like a little knife. Like.
Okay, don't worry. No, you can.
Okay, I was gonna say, stretch shit out.
What's in the paper right there in the center console? Right there? No. The front paper with the yellow pill bottle right there. Yeah, ma'am, I see it.
I know. I'm trying.
Okay.
I just came from someone else's house.
No.
Sorry.
Here.
No,
Set it right there.
Oh my god, am I getting in trouble for something? It's okay. I can't. I have a broken foot.
Alright, well.
Oh my gosh.
For now?
Oh my gosh.
Here, Officer
I should have
Balderas.
never let.
Hey, come here.
I should have never let that kid take my car.
Hey, listen.
Oh,
What kid?
I'm gonna get in trouble for something.
Sydney, stop the crying and talk to me. You're fine. You know I saw it, right? I mean, that's why I asked. Don't reach for nothing else in the car. Is there anything else in the car that someone might have left that you want to tell us about before we get our hands
I
in
have
here?
my medication.
What's your medication?
I have my.
Because that's not for pills. Is there any crack, meth in the car someone might have left that we should know about so we don't get none on us? Because that's what we're concerned about. So if there is, tell us so that way.
No.
Okay.
No.
Because we're gonna search the car.
I know.
All right, Officer Balderas is gonna help you, and you can have a seat on the curb. So he's gonna help you get out of the car. Go ahead.
I should have never went to this kid's house to fucking help them. Oh my god, I should have never helped. This is what happens.
Yes, they find what they think they'll find. A meth pipe is discovered in her purse. Officers then find 2 Xanax pills in a plastic baggie inside a prescription bottle.
No, oxycodones are in the prescribed bottle, correct?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Show him your Xanax prescription. Alright.
Oh my god, I can get in trouble for something.
Alright, let's search the car. This would be a meth pipe. Have you seen him before?
Yeah.
This was right in this pocket of this purse. So when you're checking, you need to make sure everything, okay?
Yes, sir.
So, we'll see how he does. You're just being detained, okay?
Okay.
We're gonna end the phone call, okay?
I'm not on the phone.
That's fine.
I'm just trying to look through my files.
We gave you a lot of time to look through your files, alright?
No. Like, I was trying to bring up my chart, but I downloaded my files. Sorry.
No, you're good. 3, 2, 1. So your license suspended for FR reasons. So, we're not stupid. It's not our first day on the job, alright? Not some of us. So, when I saw the pipe, I asked you what it is because I want to see you be honest. You tried to hide it. You tried to ignore when I talked about it because you knew what it was. You knew it was illegal. You knew it was a bad item, right? Obviously.
I was looking on the right-hand side.
No. You knew what it was. You didn't want to give it up, okay? So I try to give people honesty a chance. Yeah, so you know it's a meth pipe. You even said, oh, someone else left it in my car. People don't say that if they don't think it's a bad item. Right? We're not stupid. Be honest with me.
I'm trying to, and I'm trying to tell you. I'll tell you people that were in my car.
Okay, and I'm asking a simple question. You knew it was a meth pipe. By the way you tried to avoid grabbing it, tried to ignore what I was talking about, and immediately going to say someone left it in my car. You're trying to blame Edward Kirby and all this other stuff, okay? But I'm giving you a chance to be honest. So, in your prescription pill bottle were 2 Xanax in a plastic baggie, and a baggie commonly used to package narcotics. And it's not something people walk around with to hold their pills in. people that walk around with their pills and have their pills are normally in pill organizers and items like that. So, I've been doing this for a minute. I'm definitely not stupid. I can 100% say they're yours, but at this point, I want to make sure you're not dealing. Or do you have an issue smoking? Like, is it an issue of substance abuse thing you're trying to get help on?
I smoke cigarettes, and I'll smoke like the medical, or not meth, like the CBD.
But I'm talking about meth. I'm not talking about cigarettes or anything like that.
No.
So you don't use meth?
No.
Okay.
What was it? Wait, what was in my purse though?
Okay.
Besides my oxy bottle.
Meth was in your purse.
He was charged with possession of methamphetamine, alprazolam, and drug paraphernalia. She pleaded no contest and received probation with over $1,100 in fines. Officers initiate a traffic stop after observing a vehicle speeding 55 in a 40-mile-per-hour zone. The driver, unable to produce a license, offers an insurance number instead.
Did I do wrong, sir?
I'll tell you in a second when I get your information.
Okay. Would you like my insurance claim? My insurance number?
Huh?
Would you like my insurance number? Because I don't have like a paper of insurance.
Your number?
Yeah, like my number for my insurance.
You have a phone?
Huh?
You have it on your phone?
Yeah, I have a card.
Yeah, on the card. By the way, you're doing 55 and a 40.
55 on a 40?
Yeah.
No, I wouldn't.
Huh?
Okay. Alright, I'm sorry about that.
It's okay. Your license, right?
Yeah, I don't have it on me. Can you search it up? Like, I left it at home.
You're supposed to have it on you.
Sorry about
Is it a valid license?
Yeah.
Are you the original owner?
Yes, this is my car.
The officer stays calm. He's likely seen enough to know this isn't going to be simple.
More work. Anything else you want to tell me? I think you might have gotten off the wrong foot. Anything you want to tell me? What's your name?
Jalen.
Okay. You have a license? No, you don't. All right. So, we're not working based on honesty. So we're gonna start over. You're gonna tell me the truth, and we'll go from there. Because so far you have lied to me. All right. So I don't appreciate. I'm done fish talking. Give me a second. All right. I know you're excited. All right. Listen.
This is the first time I ever got pulled.
And because you're not supposed to be driving.
I understand.
You don't have a license. You can go to jail right now.
Okay.
All right. Who do you live with?
I live with my father.
Where do you live at? Huh?
45.
Who lives there?
Well, I live by myself on 45. My little sister and they live with me.
Call someone right now and pick up your car.
Call someone right now to pick up the car?
You can't drive.
Okay.
All right. You're speeding. You have no license.
Okay.
All right. Your car smells like weed.
All right. Okay, you're coming to pick it up? All right. Can I park over here?
No.
Okay. So how long did you get here? Or can you call you or something? I'm right here. I'm right here on Village, right before you get to the place. Somebody has to. Yeah, I'm already pulled over, so I'm just waiting for one of you guys to just figure out. All right. Thank you. Okay. So someone's over there in a second.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sorry about everything. I don't usually have to run into the police.
You shouldn't be driving in the first place.
I understand what you're saying.
I'm confused here. All right. How far is your ride?
The ride, we should be there.
Does that person have, hold on. Does that person have a valid license?
Yes, they have a valid license.
Call him, make sure.
Near Chelsea Drive. It's we reference the black Honda 4-door now. Yeah, 4-28
Have you ever been arrested before?
No, I have not.
Never. Not as juvenile.
I've been arrested as a juvenile when I was probably 16, 17 years old. I don't have any.
Did you just say no to me?
I said as a juvenile.
Hold on. Did you just lie to me again?
No. You said have I been arrested? Most of the time when police
Step out
have
of
been
the car.
arrested, I talk.
After catching her in several lies, the officer's patience runs out. She's ordered out of the car.
Hang up the phone and step out the car. Relax. Come down.
Hang up the phone, step out the car.
Yeah. I told you where I'm at. Listen, I'm on Village. Just relax. Just relax.
Leave your stuff in the car, please. Leave your stuff in the car. Leave your stuff in the car. Thank you. Drop it.
Excuse me? What's going on?
If you resist, you're gonna have a problem.
Okay.
Right?
So I'm being detained right now?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I have kids in the car. I have to figure out.
Put the phone away.
Best friend, I need someone to come now to my address.
Are you serious? Are you serious? Give me your arm. Give me your arm. Give me your arm.
Best friend, call juice now. Call juice now.
Stop. Are you seriously resisting me right now?
No, I'm not resisting.
Why are you pulling away?
I'm not pulling away.
You just
said
did.
someone
I just tried to get you.
Excuse me. You just said someone can pick up my car.
Are you serious?
Come on, bro.
I don't care about that. No, I don't care about that. Just stop talking when I'm talking.
Yes, sir.
All right, that's the last thing I'm gonna tell you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If I tell you to put down on your back, put down on your back. You don't reach for anything else, right?
Okay, yes,
I'm not the one you play with.
Yes,
okay.
Sir.
I decide your future right now.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So turn around.
I respect what you say. Okay.
Hey man, listen. I gave you a chance to be honest and everything. I won't lie. So you take it right to jail.
Huh?
Take it right to jail.
Why would I be going to jail?
You drive without a license.
Huh?
Drive without a license.
Okay, well I need to get my phone. I should be being detained right now, and you have to check me before I get in the car. So I'm not doing this. Can you please relax?
Get over here. If you
where are my little sisters gonna go? There's only one police officer here. That's not how this goes.
Be quiet and
yes,
don't tell me
sir.
about my job. You need to, I'm not playing this game with you, bro. I'm not playing this game with you.
I'm not going in the car. Listen, I'm not going in the car.
Don't you resist me. Don't resist. Don't resist. Do not resist.
I'm not going in the car.
Do not resist.
Please. I said my little sisters. Sir, I'm waiting on another officer.
Stand up now.
Sir, I'm not gonna allow you to throw me in the car.
Stand up now.
Sir, I want you
You're
to talk to me about
resisting
this.
arrest. Stand up right now.
I would like another officer to talk to me.
Stand up right. Oh, so you're gonna go to jail, you know, right?
You're already breaking me to jail regardless, right?
Right now.
Have another officer come.
Okay, no problem. Stand up.
No,
you're resisting arrest.
Please have another officer come.
You're resisting arrest. You're resisting arrest. Stand up.
Michaela, grab my purse.
Stand up now. Stand up now.
What are you gonna do when I need to talk to you? Can you talk to me like a civilized human?
You stand up right now.
You just threw me on the ground, bro.
Stand up right now.
So you didn't throw me on the ground?
Because you're resisting.
How did I resist? I said, can you
You're
talk to me?
pulling
You're
away.
putting me in the back of the car.
Stand
I have to know
up
what's
right
gonna
now.
go on with my little sisters.
Young lady, stand up right now.
There's never been an officer that's had done this to me. You asked me if I've been arrested. I said only as a juvenile.
Stand
you
up.
can't.
You have no license. You
okay,
cannot drive a car.
I understand, but you just said someone was able to pick up my car, sir, right? You just said that was okay.
Yes, I didn't say
Please, no.
Stand up
please,
right now.
I have my little sisters out here.
Stand
Can
up
you
right
get
now.
them, please?
Stand up right now. Stand right now.
This is for no license.
Stand up right now.
No.
Stand up.
No.
You're resisting
I'm waiting
arrest.
for an officer to come.
You are resisting arrest.
Call it what you want. Listen, they just pulled me over for no reason because I was driving a little bit fast. Now he's taking me out my car and arresting me.
Go in the car. You don't have a license.
Okay, but you just said you was gonna allow someone to pick up my car, sir.
Yeah, your car. Stand up and get inside the vehicle.
I'm not gonna allow you to put me in a vehicle if my little sisters are right here. I need to know.
Stand up.
Can you tell me what's gonna happen with my little sisters?
Someone's picking them up, right? You just called somebody.
No, I have to know what's going on with my car. There's only one
now it's gonna be told. Now it's gonna be told.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Yes,
well,
it is.
Guess what? I got money for that.
Okay, cool.
Like you.
That is wow. That's unnecessary.
Look at what you just did. You just threw me on the ground.
I had to.
You
resisting.
didn't have to throw me on the ground. How was I resisting? It's all on the tape.
You pulled away. Yeah, it's all on the tape.
I was not resisting.
It's on right.
Yeah.
It's on right.
Well, you're good. You're good. You're good. You a fucking.
You go.
You're letting them hurt me. Record this. Record it.
Don't grab me. Do not grab me. Do not grab me. Do not grab me. Go away. Go away. Go that way. Go. Give me your hand behind
I did nothing. What are you going through?
it. So childish. Get your hands out. Put it in the car.
Excuse me, sir. You see how you guys are treating me
Stand
like
up.
animals? Excuse me, sir. I need to know what's going on with my sister.
The ride to jail, just more yelling.
Get me out of this car, please! I can't do this, my little sisters! Do you have little sisters? Do you have a mother?
I got 6 kids, all female.
Exactly. And look at how you treat them. You a fucking nigga. You a fucking nigga. I said you a fucking nigga. You a fucking nigga. You see how you do me in front of my little sisters? You threw me on the ground in front of kids. Hurry up and get me to this place. Hurry up. Because guess what? My people got money for the damage too. Hurry up. Get me to where I need to go, please. Y'all relax. Babe! 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 mama die. Slow, bitch. Oh, she already dead. Yeah. Yeah, I'm psycho. I'm crazy. I'm crazy. Yeah. You're crazy, bro. You got no AC on and you don't, bro, roll the windows down. Sir, you're trying to kill me back here. I'm claustrophobic. I'm asking you, please, can you turn on the AC? No, it's not. You're lying. You're lying. Please turn the AC up. May you please turn the AC up? Okay, well, I don't feel it. Turn it up. Like, your shit don't work back here. Have you ever been in the back of a police car? Okay, then have you ever been in the back of yours? Okay, well, this shit don't work. The AC is not piping back here, fam. Thanks for turning it up. Thanks for turning it up. Thanks for turning it up. Thanks. All you get paid is 50 grand a year. Probably not even that. Probably not even that. Ha 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 ha. Yeah, most y'all police be struggling. Yes, y'all be struggling, and y'all know it. Why does my juvenile record matter? Why does my juvenile history matter? You see that, right? You arrested me because of my juvenile history. And all of this is gonna be in the court. You a fuck nigga. Your fuck your daddy a fuck nigga. He left you for dead. You act like a fuck nigga like you was raised without a father. I could tell. That got under your skin, huh? I could tell you raised without your daddy. The way you slammed me on the floor. Yep, the way you slammed me on the floor. I can talk all I want. I know I can talk. Did I threaten you? Did I threaten the Leo? Oh, I didn't do that. I didn't threaten you, sir.
Tow it.
So you're taking my car to the tow yard?
Yeah, she is.
What you mean, no? Yeah, I am the owner, so how you gonna take my car to the tow yard? You supposed to let somebody else drive my car off. That's illegal. Get me there faster. You ever got dick in your ass before? You understand English? Get me there. 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 Get me there, sir. Sir, get me there. Sir, get me there. Get me there, sir. Get me there. Drive. Bro, see what you're doing? It's my mind. My mind is not right for this. So where's my belongings, sir? Where's my belongings? How y'all gonna drive me off the without my shit? Where's my phone? Where's my purse? Where's my money? Where's my belongings? You guys are thieves. Where's my belongings? Tell me now. Where's my belongings? Where are my belongings? And I don't care. Show this to the judge. I'm sure it's gonna go there. Yeah, they're gonna see how irate I am. And I wasn't like this before you pulled. I love you, babe. Please come get me. Kaylee!
By now, she's gone all in. Every insult you can imagine. Personal, ugly, relentless. The stop started with speeding, but by this point, there's no question how this ends, and she's made sure of that herself.
Did I move my hands? Ooh, you can't see, it's so childish, yeah. I pulled away from you, ha. They're gonna drop that resentment charge so fast. Look at your ugly ass bitch, ugly asshole, that whole ugly as fuck. Your ugly ass bitch, like she got balls popping out her eyes, ugly ass. Your ugly ass bitch. Kid's probably uglier than a f***ing rock on the side of the road. Ugly ass kids. I don't have no kids. I'm 20 years old, baby. I'm 20 years old, baby. I don't have no kids. Don't want any. Lieutenant came out here, you bitch. We could barely even catch your fucking breath. You don't know if you did something wrong or not. You had me all the way in the fucking grass. You did do something wrong. You don't even know how to spell. How did you get this job? You're a pathetic piece of shit. You're a pathetic piece of shit. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. I need to go to the county, yo. Get me out of here, bro. Fuck, bro. You such a fucking nigga. Get me out of here. I need to go.
If you pick my car again, I'm gonna hobble you. Alright?
You're gonna hobble me.
Yes.
You wanna put your hands on a woman.
I will.
Cause you're a fuck nigga.
I will.
You a fuck nigga.
I will.
You a fuck nigga. Take me to the county, you fuck nigga. Take me to the county, you fuck nigga. That's all you wanna do. Is put your hands on a woman. You already did hobble me, you fuck nigga. Hobble your fucking wife. That ugly ass bitch. Get it all up under your skin, I know. Yup. Truly is though. If it wasn't working, you would have listened to your music, you would have continued your report, you would have took me to the county. You would have took me to the county, fam. Bruh. My bruh. Crack. Holly want a parrot? Holly want a cracker? I hate you guys. I hate you guys' guts. Leave me alone. You guys do nothing good for the community. At off. Come on, bro. You doing your job again? You feel like doing your job again? Come on. Yeah, I'm a real funny one. Yeah. Wow. You checking it through? Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow. Check your statement through Grammarly because you don't know how to spell. You illiterate fuck. Checking your fucking stupid ass statement through Grammarly. Wow, you guys. This stupid fuck doesn't know how to spell. I turn this bitch up again and again and again. And I chose not to slip out my cuffs. Trust me, I could have did it again. Fuck. Running your little stupid ass statement through Grammarly like the little bitch ass or literate ass that you are. Yep, I said it. I said it.
Oh my God.
You're a little. I'm black. What y'all gonna do? Counsel me? Come on now. Dirty ass. Like you couldn't bring that shit in the fucking trash can, fam. You dirty as fuck. Littering in your own car. Dirty ass. I can tell your house got roaches.
Your car roaches.
No, it actually don't. It actually don't. Why you trying to be funny? My car don't have roaches. My car do not have roaches. The f I can tell your house has roaches. Like I said, my car don't have roaches. Why you trying to be funny? You look funny, short midget bitch. Only thing you could be able to be a police officer. I can tell, bruh. You look like the type of bitch that got bullied your whole life. You look like the type of little bitch that got bullied your whole life. Only thing you could have become was a police officer. Why? So you could feel some type of authority, bruh. I already know you. I see right through you. You a little bitch, bro. Why you think you got an ugly ass wife like that? You probably on your phone looking at bad bitches on the daily. The fuck you know your wife look like a little rat. A little rat looking asshole. Fuck big body ass bitch with your little short ass. Well, you fucked up letting me see that ugly ass bitch. That bitch look like she's blind as a f***ing bat. You need to pull that hoe over. The fuck that bitch should be driving at nighttime. But you don't even love that bitch. Probably not even your wife. Probably your f***ing girlfriend. Probably just a fucking mistress. Fucking ugly ass. So fucking ugly, bro. Ugliest fucking officer wanna fucking arrest me, you ugly piece of shit. My daddy look better than you. Receipt and tape line having ass. I know them 6 kids stressing you the fuck out. Look like you could barely take care of them. Bitch, you could barely take care of yourself. The hell, look at how you come to work looking like a straight bump. Look at you, putting your legs up. You just fast. Fast for some ass. You fast for some ass. And I know your wife. I'm gonna tell her you over here flirting with bitches. Look at you. You gotta get permission just to drive, you little slut. Drive, slut. Now I'm your slut owner. I'm your new slut owner. Not Lieutenant Billy, bitch. I'm your new slut owner. Drive me to the courthouse. Drive me to the county. And take your cuffs off of me when I get there. You wanted to keep me in here as long as you can. I know I'm pretty. Pull over a bad bitch. Threw me on a girl, all that. Get your ugly ass camera. Look at you, drinking Monster. The fuck? Back up off the stop.
I'm really sorry.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I'm not.
Officers approach a disturbance outside a nightclub. One girl is already in cuffs. Her partner rushes over, crying, pleading, and already making things worse.
Chill out.
Get out.
You do not.
I didn't do anything. Back up. She's mad at you.
She's underage. Back up off the stop.
We can just walking her or we detaining her? What are we doing?
Yeah. She just shoved him. I don't know what's going on.
No, I said right. It's kind of
Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
Hey, I said I don't want to press charges. Give me a second. Wait. So where are you taking her? I'll calm her down. No.
Stop.
Wait, why? I just follow her. She's my friend.
I don't care. Stop interfering. Go back.
Okay, so where are you taking her?
To jail. Goodbye.
Wait, so which one?
Both of them.
Why do you mean both of them? You have to tell me where.
No, I don't have to. Let them deal with that.
I don't want to. I just want to know where you're taking her.
No, we're not. Okay, we're not dating.
Okay?
We are together.
So you're together for the night?
No, we're not.
Cassandra!
Don't say
Are you
nothing.
being
Don't say nothing. I'm
Cassandra!
trying to help
Hey.
you out. Don't say nothing.
Cassandra!
We're not together. Don't say nothing.
Why the f*** do they have me in handcuffs, dude?
I don't want to press her. No.
That's my face!
Don't say nothing.
Cassandra, I'm in handcuffs right now!
Okay.
Do you want to press charges?
No, I don't want to press charges.
Come here, talk to me.
Don't
okay?
say nothing.
Just stand up.
Don't say
Dude,
okay.
nothing or you f***ing know me, dog.
Don't say nothing.
Here, watch her. I'm not having a f***ing
Sit
down.
Hey, no. Please don't put her in there. No. Please.
This is not your show.
Yeah?
Stop talking.
Yeah, you
Let us explain what's going
Dude,
on.
My dad is a f***ing lawyer.
I don't give a
fuck. Behind me, dog. Hey. You know what? Yeah. No. Admit to George. And just sort of f***ing county. That's my f***ing father.
What's your name? Did I really have to stay here?
Don't go over there. You're gonna go to jail if you go over there. I'm telling you that. I'm not even kidding.
Are you really gonna take me to jail? I'm not doing anything.
Yeah, by going over there, I've now told you 3 times to not go over there.
Okay, I got it.
For what?
I don't want her getting arrested.
I know, but for what?
I don't know what the f they have her for. She pushed me, yeah, I know that. We're in a fucking club where random people are at, obviously, like...
Okay.
There was not... Nah! Don't say nothing!
Talk to her. Said y'all wanna believe her? Talk to her.
No. So I'm trying to get your side of...
Now the boyfriend maybe tries stepping in. Meanwhile, the girl in cuffs is melting down.
Nothing f***ing happened, dude! Why the f*** are you guys detaining me right now?
I'm helping you! Shut the f*** up!
Nothing f***ing happened!
Hey, so, okay.
No, bro, let me stand up. I can't sit down. I'm a f***ing waitress. I've been up on my feet all day. Just let me stand up. You guys let me stand here.
Are you gonna calm down?
Yes, I f***ing will, but let me
That
fucking
doesn't show
stand
me you're gonna
up.
calm down.
Bro,
You're
I've
yelling.
been on my feet for 13 fucking hours, dude. Like, what the f***? I'm a fucking waitress, dog.
So what happened inside?
Nothing, bro. That's my fucking girlfriend.
Okay, so...
People get in the fucking arguments. That's my fucking girl.
Okay, but then why are you putting hands on her?
Dude, that's my fucking girl. You ain't trying to fuck your girl once in a while?
Okay, that was not fucking.
Cassie,
hey.
Are we not trying to have sex? No. Are we not trying to have sex?
Hey. I'm not pressing charges, nothing like that. We're good.
Okay, who is she to you?
She's my girlfriend. But if that escalates stuff, then no. We're in a club where people are pushing each other. Obviously, she's gonna shove me. We're in a club full of God knows how many people.
All right. Do you have your ID?
I don't have my ID. I have a photo of it.
Okay.
Well, more of my mugshot. I don't know if that clarifies anything.
Whatever.
I'm not trying to escalate things.
Whatever.
Nah, please be quiet. No, don't say nothing. I'm helping you out right now. This is my mugshot. My birthday's on June 14th, 2002.
Whoa, hang on. Hold it right there, because that's a lot to write.
You're good. I don't know why they put me as white. I'm Hispanic. I don't know why they registered me.
Because Hispanic is an ethnicity, not a race.
Okay, well, I was born in the U.S., so that, that clarifies.
Okay, hang on. I need to see it. Hang on.
Nah, please don't say anything. Okay, just shut up. I'm helping you out.
Do you have a Florida ID, though?
Yes, I do, but I don't have it on me. The police took it. I have to go back and
Do
get
me
it.
a favor. I'm going to figure out what this is, and just wait over here on the sidewalk, okay?
But don't arrest us, don't ask.
Okay, just wait there.
Can you at least promise me that then?
I can't. I don't know what's going on yet. Let me figure it out. Hey,
please
just go over there.
Hey, come on.
No,
she's
for real.
So, but the thing is, you pushed her. You shoved her. Okay. That's what we're
Get my
concerned
hair
about.
out of my mouth since y'all want to see me. Get my hair out of my mouth, otherwise I can't talk. There's those shits in my mouth. You see it, yeah? You see it right here?
That's how you're gonna act? You're gonna act
Get
like a whole
my hair out
child?
of my fucking mouth. I'm not acting like a fucking child.
You are acting like a child.
No, I'm not.
Do you want to go to jail? We're trying to just get your side of the story. What happened?
Talk to her. Bro,
you're not helping
I'm not
yourself
saying
out at all.
shit, Cassie. There's nothing fucking wrong, and yet they want to fucking try me, dude. They're literally fucking talk to her. There's nothing fucking wrong. There's literally nothing fucking wrong. Cassie, is there something wrong? No. No, there's nothing fucking wrong. That's my fucking girlfriend, dog. Like, what the fuck? I wish I was in DeSoto County, dog. DeSoto, yeah, I'm from DeSoto. I'm from DeSoto County, yeah.
Your ID?
No.
She wouldn't give it to us? No, and you guys never asked for it. No. What do you mean? Stand up. No, I asked you to stand up. I asked you to stand up. And we told you no. No, my ID isn't here. Go get my because she's not wanting to charges. So go get my girl. Go get my girl. Natalie. Natalie.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's Sean. It was stupid ass.
Natalie, what's your middle initial?
Her companion tries to take the fall, offering to be arrested instead. Noble gesture, but not how it works. In Florida, if you lay hands on your partner, even once, and police witness it, charges follow, even if no one wants to press them.
Here's our situation. I'm gonna be honest with you, okay? Here's the thing.
What can I do to make sure she gets out of trouble?
You guys are dating.
Okay.
Well, she put her hands on you. That's the issue.
But
In
I'm
the
saying
state
I
of
don't want
Florida-
charges.
Hold on. In the state of Florida, it does not matter. You guys have a dating history, which means we have to do something in order to keep you safe. Here's the thing. Here's what I'm telling them. It wasn't a shove as in like she's gonna beat your ass. It
we're
was
in a
more of
club.
like she's drunk
Yes,
and she just
we're-
wants to get you the f away from her.
I swear to God, we're in a club full of people. You know how many people shoved me prior to her?
I know. So
I'm
that's the
just
thing.
saying. If anything, take me in. Take me in.
I think James.
No, if anything, take me in.
So here's the
I
thing.
swear to God, take me in.
But
I
here's
don't
the thing.
know.
Here's our issue. If we release her into your custody, how are we going to know that you're safe later on?
I will call you guys.
Does she normally hit you?
No,
You guys have
no.
a history of violence.
No, there's no history of anything.
How old is she?
I can't disclose. I'm just gonna talk about that with her. I really can't. But I'm saying, if anything, you guys can take me in. I don't give a.
You weren't the one. You didn't do anything.
You didn't do anything.
I'm not putting.
I watched her put her hands on you. I was standing right there.
You know how many people put their hands on me in that damn club?
Why? Can you just stay here and leave her alone?
What?
Can you just take the girl with the red t-shirt and leave the other girl?
Why?
Because she was the one with the problem. I swear to God, I was there.
We watched the whole thing happen.
It wasn't that big.
All of us are
I know.
It's kind of hard for us to not see it.
I know.
So our hands are done.
Is every New Year like this?
Huh?
Is every New Year like this?
Every New Year.
That's crazy that you guys have to deal with this. I really appreciate your job because I can.
It's fine. I just wanted to let you know what was happening. So.
I know, and thank you so much for letting me know.
So
Who is the guy that is over there?
He said that's her friend.
Okay. Jack? That he say his name? Okay.
I'm not good at remembering names.
Can I please talk with her before you guys take you to jail? I don't know what she's saying. I have to talk with her. Just 1 minute. You can be there. I'm not gonna say.
I have to ask the officers that are doing the investigation. I wasn't. I asked them what was going on, so I can tell you.
Yeah, I really appreciate it.
Wait, hold on.
No, I don't. I'll do whatever. Take me in.
You didn't do anything.
They didn't have my real ID to go in. Take me in. I don't care.
That's on the establishment.
No.
That's not on you.
Then take, please.
I literally.
I don't want that on her record.
I literally can't.
I-
Disorderly intox is a misdemeanor case.
I don't. Put me whatever the fuck I want on y'all's record to make it look good. I don't care. Don't put her in. Put me in. I've already been in there once. I can cancel it again. Don't put her in. I'm not gonna.
We literally.
What if I start hitting someone right now? What will I do?
Well, then don't, because then you'll both go to jail.
I don't want
Hey,
her.
so that's not gonna
So I have to wait 8 hours.
So that's what I'm trying to tell you. I'm trying to give you the process, okay? Take a breath. Take a moment. It's gonna suck, okay? Okay?
No.
Take
How
a
much will
moment.
it be to bail her out? I just want to know that.
It's a misdemeanor, so it's probably gonna be $100. Okay? I don't know until you get that phone call, okay? I'm trying to give you the
Can I
process.
please talk to her then?
You have to calm down before you talk to her, okay?
I'm calm. I just want to talk to her and make sure she's
Take a breath.
Okay, you can hold me.
Yep. Nope. We will let you talk.
But it won't say on her record, right?
I don't know how underage she is. How old is she?
Lean forward, and I'm gonna stop talking for a second.
Okay.
I'm gonna tell you what to do to help you. Don't move. Stop.
The officer's trying to help me.
Hold on, we're fixing her handcuffs.
This should hurt.
I know it does. I've been there.
She's trying to help me. She's trying to help me.
And there's nothing I can do to switch this around.
It was in our presence. We literally, our hands are tied.
Now it's about the ride to jail.
I need the numbers. Dad, just let me call her. Dad.
Back up or you're getting charged too.
I need the number. Dad, I need the number. You guys just said the truth. And I need the numbers. I don't have the numbers.
We will care.
I don't have the numbers.
If you
They're
drop
in
down,
my
I'm gonna
car.
carry you.
They're in my phone. I don't have the numbers. No. I don't have the numbers. I do not have the numbers. Look. I do not have the numbers. You guys, dog. The police are so. Bro, I just said, can I speak to the number?
I can show her the link.
No, you didn't let me though. Then let me get my friends.
Hold
We have the
on.
numbers.
I know, we're doing that before you
Then why
leave.
didn't you let me? Check me. Losing this shit. Because they told me.
Do you have anything on you? Any weapons?
No, I fucking don't,
All right.
dude.
All right.
I'm a girl. All I got is my bra. My fucking
Perfect. All right.
All I need is the numbers. Fuck these guys, dude.
Can you move your feet further apart for me?
You want me to open up my fucking for these men?
No. I am searching you.
No, please do this. Money. You're a girl, right?
Yes, I'm a girl.
Please do for me at least once. Because I'm not even trying to do this, bro. I'm listening to you, bro. No, I don't want to bro, look at my body, dog. I have an auto down. Bro, I literally have an auto on these days, bro.
Okay, all right. I don't know what that is.
I have like 3 months left. Hey, wait, is there pee in there?
No.
I heard
Sit in the car.
Sit
Sit in the car.
I just cleaned it, okay?
Wait,
I just wiped it out, yes.
Can I have a wet ones wipe?
I don't have any on me. I just cleaned it.
No, I heard about cop cars. No, I
need to get in there.
I heard about cop cars. They're disgusting.
Come on, don't catch a resistant charge.
No, but they're disgusting. They're disgusting.
I just cleaned it.
No, you're a girl.
I cleaned it after my last transport, all right?
You're a girl. My knee.
I got you. Just take a step up.
Please, dog. I know. I need my friends to know. He told me. Hey, he told me. Hey, this shit just tightened. Another link. I need you to know. Both of them, please. I'm already in the car.
Give us the phone.
Did you double lock these when you fixed them?
Yeah, we readjusted them too.
No, you guys didn't. Bro, this shit's tight as fuck. Bro!
I'm trying to see if they are locked. Listen, if you keep moving, I'm going to leave them as they are, okay?
Are they lever locks?
All right.
Bro, you want to that dog?
Yes, you're the one doing this to yourself, all right? You put yourself in this position.
How many times did you ask for
put yourself in this car, all right?
Like 6 or 7 times she told me she didn't have it. And then
What's the name she gave you?
Okay, all right, put your foot in the car.
Yep.
My phone's in
Put your foot in the car.
But
to you guys.
she had to think about her birthday, and then she finally gave it to me. And I was like,
already
not 21.
Bitch, what the
Put your foot in the car.
They already fucking told me.
Okay,
You guys told me that I have the numbers.
that's another charge.
You guys told me that I can have the numbers. You guys told me.
You got resisting too.
Yep. Resisting, disorderly intox, domestic battery. She's just adding to the laundry list of all of this.
Sounds good.
Okay.
right.
Where's your phone?
It's getting brought over.
They're bringing it.
So I'm gonna put this phone number in your bag, okay, with your phone.
What bag?
She's got your phone with your ID, okay?
Why my phone?
That way you can get emergency.
But can you please listen? This is already fucking back here. This shit is doing me.
Hey, Natalie, sit.
Hey, pull my shirt. You want to
Sit
see the rash on me? No, real shit. No.
Sit sideways. It won't hurt as much.
Here.
There you go. Sit like that.
No, pull my shirt.
I see the rash.
No. Can you see the rash?
I see it.
That's all over my body.
I'm really sorry.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I'm not. I need to deal with this shit. And if you realize I'm not. No, real shit. Just pull the shirt on my back.
I see it.
No,
all right. Natalie, if you sit sideways, it won't hurt as much, okay?
No, I've been sitting sideways. It hurts.
Just sit like that, okay?
Autoimmune disease. Like, girl,
you're good.
You just loosen it a little bit.
I'm not finding it
God,
before.
I've never
So.
been arrested.
Girlfriend, she didn't have her ID on her.
She was charged with battery, obstructing an officer without violence, and disorderly intoxication. But if you thought that was bad, just wait.
Search it. It's your uncle's truck. Sorry about that.
No, I'm getting. Oh, okay, sorry.
Good answer.
On July 17th, 2023, officers are dispatched to a Regions bank where a woman's trying to cash a $3,000 check, but bank staff suspect it's fake.
Hey, how you guys doing?
Good, how are you?
Good.
I'll check in the ID. I have a debit card as well.
Are you Amanda? Okay. There's just some concerns about your driver's license.
Well, it's old as crud, and it's due at the end of this month. And here's
I'm getting an Illinois license this week. I've been
Okay.
up here in, I've been in Illinois long enough, so yeah, I have to get my Illinois license. I had identity fraud, and I had to clear that with the state secretary's office.
She told me we give her help on her life.
She what?
Everybody gives me heck about it, but I mean,
Okay.
I have other banks.
Yeah, it just feels it's.
Well, I mean, it's been through the
It's just
work
old.
and it's been through a ringer. It's 4 years old. It's due at the end of this month, and I'm getting my Illinois license. So.
Okay.
I'm sorry. I believe you now.
Yeah, I know. I told you.
She told me when you're
This has been happening.
It was hard for me to cash my income tax check.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I mean, it was hard. I mean, there's just no. I'm sorry.
Okay. All right.
But I have it on my phone. If you want to look at my phone, I mean, it's me.
Yeah, I mean that'd be fine.
Okay, I'm not fraud.
Yeah, it just.
I understand completely.
Yeah, it feels like it's been through the ringer.
It's been more than the ringer.
160.
Well, I like moving on talking.
I'm paying on the zip, by the way.
Okay.
I'll give it free.
Where's that? You have this happen quite a bit.
Yes.
Where'd the check come from?
The check came certified mail to my house,
Good.
and I had to sign it. And then I called their bank this morning. I mean, I called up there to that place up there, and she said it was approved and everything was good.
Okay.
And so I just stopped here and
Okay. So the check came by certified mail. Who from?
Well, actually, the post. I guess you wouldn't call it certified mail, but I did have to sign for it. It was the post office, U.S. Post Office, and I did have to sign for it.
You don't know who the check's from though?
Well, okay, I had a car accident. A trucking
Uh-huh.
service hit me, and that was in 2021.
Okay.
Okay, I did sue them. I sued Warner Trucking Service, and I sued another trucking service. But I never expected to get, I didn't pursue them all the way because the Warner Trucking, service, whatever, guy had actually rear-ended me. He nicked me and shoved me off the road on the ice. Okay, and so I assumed that came from that. I didn't really know.
Okay.
According to her, she didn't follow through with the lawsuit, but somehow a check still showed up. Maybe the company felt generous.
But I was expecting a check.
So that was 2021.
Right, but I was mind you, a lawsuit
The accident
takes a long time.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now,
I
and this
was
is the
expecting
first
a check.
time. This is the first time you've received one of these checks.
It did say cash that check at Regions Bank. That's the only thing it said inside.
Yes, sir, it did. And I can call that person back at the bank too. And the lady that owns the trucking service.
Okay.
Hi guys. We got nice looking officers.
That's kind of part of the criteria of getting hired here.
So no, I'm being looked at as I've done something wrong, right?
What's wrong with the check?
We run into stuff like this all the time.
What's wrong with the check? Is it not valid?
The biggest thing is just this ID here. That's all.
Oh, okay. Oh, well.
I mean, the other thing is the account for this company. It says it's closed because of fraudulent activity.
Okay, well I just spoke to the woman this morning, so I can call her back if you'd like me to. And I spoke
What was
to the
her
lady
name?
from the truck. Diana is her name,
Diana.
and she owns that.
Is there anything illegal in your purse? Do you mind if I take a look in there? Is
No.
that okay?
No.
Do you mind if I take a look in there?
Well, yeah, I do because it's my personal business. But
Okay.
No, there's nothing illegal in there. Anyway.
What would it be?
But yeah.
Yeah, well.
I mean, this is insane.
I'm just asking. I ask everybody because I don't know you. I just want to make sure there's no guns or bombs or anything.
Oh my
else.
God, no
Anything like
bomb.
that. And I'm saying bombs. I'm just
doing
trying to.
that.
I'm trying to make this. I'm trying to alleviate the tension here. That's all.
Okay, so here's
you
the front of mine.
Okay. No, I believe the ID is real. I mean, can you lift your hat for me a little bit? Okay. Yeah, I mean, that's definitely you. It's just the issue is this check, you got into this accident like 2 years ago. I get like lawsuits take a while.
Okay, I just
How
called her
did-
this morning, and she said everything was fine.
Who did you call?
I called Diana, the lady that owns the trucking service,
What's the name of the trucking service?
the Waller and Waller LLC. And I called their bank up there in
You
that
said
town.
Waller and Waller?
Yeah.
'Cause that's not the name of this company.
That's what they called it, Waller and Waller. That's how she pronounced it to me. Her name's Diana. I can go out to the truck and I can get you the phone number too.
Oh, let me think you can get us.
I mean, I can
They got a
get
truck
all
on
of
the
this
lot?
cleared.
You can get it all cleared.
I don't have any fraudulent act.
Well, that's the only issue that I'm having though is this.
Okay,
This
well,
check. I'm trying to figure out where this came from. Because if you just randomly received a check in the mail, I
It
mean,
comes
it's.
certified. She signed for it. I read it. I read it.
I understand she signed for it.
Through the mail.
I'm just saying
call
the
my
account
husband
itself
right
is
now.
closed.
At this point, she's doing more talking than explaining, and the officers are quietly piecing things together.
That's not what she told me this morning.
That's right.
Oh, that's what. the people that work for Regions is telling me right now.
I'm gonna believe that thing.
Hey, Hoy.
Yeah.
Could you send me a picture of the thing that came with my check? It should be laying in there by the nightstand. Would you send me? I've got police all around me because I tried to cash the check. I called the bank up there, and so I need that piece of paper that came with the check.
Okay, what?
It was there by the nightstand.
Well, I see the nightstand. I don't think my papers around anymore.
Well, look for it and call me back.
It was a certified letter.
All right, thank you.
Let me ask you this: if we called our K9 out here, do you think it would alert to your car if it sniffed your car?
It shouldn't.
I called
It
this
shouldn't.
morning.
Nope.
If you were actually positive, you'd probably say something
Go
like
right ahead.
absolutely not.
Well,
We
I
can search it.
asked
It's your uncle's truck.
officers.
Okay.
It was with the. It came with the letter.
Oh, I didn't know. Just,
With the
95.
check that you.
She drove right.
Yes.
Okay. Why are you here with her?
Okay, I meant.
Just for a friend of mine. I have family that lives in St. Louis.
How do you guys know each other?
Through her husband, I used to cut his hair. I'm a hairstylist. I run a barber shop.
Yeah,
My
right.
husband's there.
Degree up
And
over
her
in
son.
China.
What's her husband's name?
Hoy White is my husband's name.
Oh.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Good answer.
Joseph.
It's actually Joseph.
Hey, Amanda, go
White.
ahead and stand up. Put your hands by your back for me. Go ahead.
Why
Go on.
arrest- why
You're
arrest
gonna be
him?
under arrest for fraud, okay?
Why am I under arrest for
Before you
fraud?
arrest-
Are you really being serious right now?
Yes, ma'am.
No, I'm sorry, but I did not fraud nobody.
Okay.
That is crazy. I did not fraud anybody. I got a check in the mail. This is absolutely insane. And I swear to God. Will you please call Hoy and tell Hoy to come get me?
Well, let's not have anyone come over here.
Oh, yeah.
Just stand right here.
He's coming to get me.
You have anything illegal on you?
No, I do not.
Okay. No needles, nothing like that?
Nothing. What in the fuck? And I don't think you can search me anyway, can you?
You're under arrest. Custodial search.
That's not very nice. I know it's not very nice. You know what? I'm just trying to go up in the car today. I wasn't trying to fraud anybody. I called their bank. Everybody's.
Okay.
I mean, why are you calling it fraud? There ain't nothing in there. You know this. I have a good attorney.
That's fine. We do too.
I know.
Yeah.
What else do you want to pat down? Maybe take my bra off?
No, we have a. Do you have anything in your bra?
No, I don't.
Okay.
You want it off?
No, we have a female officer that will do a little bit more of a thorough search.
Okay, great. Can't wait.
I'm just gonna take this off real quick.
Oh, really?
Put that over here.
Sure. Go ahead.
Or at least
Whatever
try
you need to do.
Okay.
Ouch.
Sorry about that.
No, I'm getting picked up for something I never fucking. Awesome.
Put that back on for now. All right. I'm gonna take out to my car for now. Okay.
So you're arresting me on fraud?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I know what my charges are.
I'm gonna open that window and pump the air for you. Okay. Okay. All right.
While Amanda's protesting, officers are already searching the vehicle. And what they find, well, it's no longer just about a check.
Okay. I'm gonna take her stuff to my car. Then I'm gonna be inventorying that vehicle. Is there anything else that you need in there? Sodas and cigarettes?
Soda, cigarettes.
Okay.
Okay, good.
I can see look on your face already. What are we gonna find in the check?
Oh, there's nothing on mine.
Okay, well now's your chance to be on.
I'm gonna get started. Okay. I'm gonna be up front with you and everything. So your new charges are also now possession of a controlled substance and drug paraphernalia. It may actually be empty. Oh no.
Is it?
Yeah. All right. So that was right here.
Ice?
Yeah. Fun. I love it.
Everything else in her car, in her truck?
Well, you guys are both saying it's both of your trucks, so.
I said this was my truck. I told you I drove her. She doesn't have a license.
Well, you're in custody, so I'm not going to argue with you about this right now, okay? All right. All right. Kind of slid over there a little bit. We're going to go around this car to the blue door.
She was charged with fraud under deceptive practices, false statement, possession of stolen or fraudulently obtained property, possession of methamphetamine, possession of a controlled substance, possession of drug paraphernalia, and driving with a suspended license.
The reason
Why do we need
the vehicle? Just that if you're going to be driving.
Do you think it's gonna poke me, stick me, hurt me today?
On February 21st, 2025, Bloom PD officers initiated a routine traffic stop. The vehicle lacked a front plate and failed to signal while changing lanes.
Hi, ma'am. Officer here with Bloom Police Department. Okay, patrol. And the reason to stop you, two things. One, the state of Illinois required to have a front plate in your vehicle for bearing Illinois registration. Two, when you transition to the left lane, you did not signal when you transition that lane.
Yes, I did.
You did not. I saw you from down the road. I did not see you signal. Do you have your license, proof of insurance on you?
I don't have.
All right, sir. Do you have your license on you?
No, it doesn't.
You don't have a seatbelt on. Oh, there it is. Perfect.
Here.
All right. Do you have your insurance?
No.
No insurance. All right. Hey guys, I'm Officer Ryan Thorley. I got a bike here. I'm just standing by until Officer Hillary concludes his traffic stop. Where you guys headed? To the store. I got you. Did you have insurance on the vehicle?
No, I don't at the moment. I've been through this like 100 fucking times.
Okay, I'm sorry, I didn't know, so that's why I was
You're
asking.
fine. I'm just really annoyed and irritated. I've spent months trying to get my insurance and been working my ass off, and it's just annoying having to deal with it.
I get you.
So, and he wants to say I didn't turn signal, but I always turn signal. I make fun of people who don't fucking turn signal. That shit just irritates me.
The officer tries to reason with her, but it only makes things worse.
Where are you working at?
I do Instacart.
Do what?
I do Instacart.
I got you. Is that where you get the groceries for people and deliver it?
Yes.
Okay, I don't know why you're getting all aggressive. Alright, that's fine. You can hate me.
I didn't say I hate you. I said I hate doing this.
And you work for Instacart?
Yes.
I get money can be tight, but I'm just gonna suggest something. If you're gonna be doing Instacart and driving around, you need to have insurance. It's a good idea for you to have insurance.
Yeah,
It is a law to have insurance, but I get you. I'm just trying to let you know.
I know all the information. You have no clue who I am. You have no clue what I've been through, and you have no fucking clue why I sleep in my car.
Okay.
So don't. I'm okay.
I'm just trying to suggest that if you're going to be driving out around.
And I actually understand that.
Okay.
Thank you. I understand you need
You're welcome.
insurance. I'm actually fully fucking aware.
Okay.
But it's kind of hard to do that when you're kicked out at fucking 15, been on the streets 3 fucking years, can only make money the way you can.
Okay.
So thank you.
You're welcome.
No, I'm tired of them trying to tell me how to fucking live my life. Every single fucking time this shit happens.
I wasn't telling you.
I don't care. Bro. Well, when they've been on the street for 3 fucking years and get berated every fucking day, they can call me. Let me fucking know how that goes. I'm staying as fucking calm as I fucking can without someone trying to fucking berate my fucking whole life interaction. I'm okay. Thank you. I fucking know you need insurance to drive.
Therefore, it's probably a good idea to get it.
Therefore, that's why I'm doing Instacart to make it work.
I
Thanks.
get you. All right.
You live in a car for fucking 3 years, you can let me know.
Okay.
Why is there a canine unit?
When a K9 unit shows up, it's clear we're heading for a confrontation.
All right, Miss McCormick, we're gonna have you both step out of the vehicle one at a time. All right, we have a K9 here. It's called free air sniff. You have to step out of the vehicle.
No, I don't. There is nothing in my
Ma'am,
car.
you will go to jail.
There is nothing
The case
in
law
my
dictates
car. You have no probability
Okay.
to
Step out of the vehicle.
No.
All right, you're gonna go to jail.
No.
It's a lot.
No.
Please
No.
Get out of the car.
There is no
Let go of her.
There's no reason
All right.
to search my car.
Nope.
There's no
Get out of the
Get out of the car. You're going to jail.
No, I'm not. Calm her down.
No.
Stop.
Get out of the car.
No. Damn!
Hey! What the fuck? Shut up, dude.
What the fuck is wrong with you? Do you understand what the fuck
Take
is
care of
wrong?
my
Call
phone.
my mom. Call my mom.
Hold on.
No, don't touch me. I haven't done anything.
I'm not touching you. I'm trying to talk to you, okay? We don't want you to intervene, okay?
I'm not intervening.
I got you.
You're blowing me. Where's her?
All right, hold on.
I'm not intervening.
Stop going over there.
He's not intervening. He's
We're gonna call her mom.
We're taking that.
We're getting the phone.
Okay.
Call my mom. Call my mom. Call my mom. Call my mom. These what the fuck they're doing. Call my mom. Call my not
resisting.
I'm not. I told you you don't have the right to search my car. That's my right. You don't have to search my car. He's not intervening. He's recording.
Nope, we're taking that.
You have no reason to search my car. And you have no reason to put your fucking hands on me.
Yeah, we can order you out of the vehicle.
No, you're not without legal reason.
Nope, canine
There
sniff.
was no legal reason.
Nope, canine
Yeah,
sniff.
what is the reason?
We're
Why
letting
do
a
we
free
need-
air sniff the vehicle.
Okay, that's fine,
Yep.
but you guys have to fucking talk to me about that.
I told you to step out of the vehicle.
That doesn't include on why or reason or anything of
All
the
right,
sort
you
to
can go-
throw me in my fucking car, you dick.
You can go to jail.
For what?
Resisting.
No.
Did you let her back in the squad?
Huh? Yeah, I'm just gonna do a secondary search real quick. Just for policy, I gotta do.
Secondary search confirmed no weapons or contraband. The interior of the vehicle was reported to be extremely dirty, with no valuables found.
Most of those I got my body cam on. Do you have anything that's gonna poke me, stick me, hurt me today? No. Okay. No weapons on you?
No.
Okay. No drugs on you?
No.
Do you have anything that would be like shoved up inside anywhere that I should not be going into? Okay, awesome. Can you face that way? Okay, are you wearing a shirt underneath this? Okay, I'm gonna unzip this then. Are you wearing any other layers underneath your pants? You have a pair of shorts on. Do they have pockets?
The backs.
Okay.
I think maybe that's the answer.
Okay. Are you wearing a bra today?
No.
I'm just gonna check the pockets of these shorts. Okay.
It's fine. They're probably a little tight because they're string time.
You're good. They're jeans, so you're good.
Gotcha. One jeans on me. Oops, sorry. This little pocket's the hardest one. Are you wearing anything underneath the jeans at all?
No.
Okay.
Silas, take us on.
Oh, you're fine. You're fine. This traffic detail turned into a freak show.
Well, then, you gotta call me like falling behind
Yeah. Right there, if you don't mind, you can tell.
Yeah, no, I got you.
Transport.
Yep.
Just gonna readjust these cuffs for you, alright?
Hey, James. Anything expensive in the car at all?
Miscellaneous clothes, and property. Nothing of real value. The interior is just disgusting. Like gross, dirty, and stuff like that.
Gotcha. Okay. Sounds good.
The woman was charged with driving without insurance and resisting arrest.
No! Innocent illegal! Arrested!
It's April 26, 2024, and deputies in New Mexico are trying to track down a woman who's been dodging probation check-ins. They show up at her listed address, and right away, things get suspicious.
Hello, sir. How's it going? Is Crystal here?
No, she went for a little walk because somebody came over and something happened. She had come up for a while now.
You don't know where she went?
Something on the front edge. That's what I figured.
The where?
The park lake, I figured.
Okay. Who did she go with? What kind of car?
Oh, no, she was the park lake up right there.
She walked up then?
Where's she staying at? Can you show me her room? She's on probation with us.
Oh, okay.
And this is the address she listed. So this is where she lives?
Huh?
This is where she lives? Crystal lives
Yeah,
here?
uh-huh.
Can you show me where she's living?
Huh?
Can you show me where she's staying? Who's that?
And just as they start looking around, someone darts out of view.
Who is that?
Huh?
Who was that in there?
Oh, listen.
Can we go in?
Crystal.
You guys are not local cops. I don't know you.
I'm a probation officer.
Crystal.
Show me your
I
hands.
called you guys.
Crystal.
Show me your hands now. Get out here.
Burger.
Crystal, come on. Come on. Crystal,
Get out
no,
here.
don't do that.
You guys.
Get out here.
Come on. I got you.
Get over here.
We're gonna just stay here, okay?
Hey,
Crystal!
your hands now.
You guys
Show me your hands. Show me your
Where's your
hands.
hands? Crystal.
I'm sick of you guys hurting me.
Okay, we'll talk to her. Just stay back. Stay back, okay?
Stop it.
Okay, stay back.
Crystal, get up and come here and talk to me. I'm a probation
No,
officer.
I'm sick of. I called. Albuquerque don't even have probation. Why do we? What the? You guys are doing what the?
You have not reported to the Las Vegas office.
I did.
When?
And my lawyer doesn't answer.
It's clear she doesn't plan on walking out without a fight, or at least a dramatic monologue.
Okay, well stop yelling.
No, get out of the house.
Okay, as of right now, you're under arrest.
No.
Okay.
Now,
I'm not.
you want to pick up charges?
Don't do that. Don't do that.
I'm
Don't
not
do that.
doing anything wrong.
Crystal,
I'm not
no,
recording.
don't do that.
I'm calling my son just to see if he's okay.
Get up.
Dad.
Get up. Come on, Crystal, come on.
Stop.
Come on.
I don't have it.
You have not reported. Stand up.
Yes, I did.
Come on.
I recorded. What are you doing?
Let us call
I
this-
can see myself.
Come on.
You guys.
Crystal.
I'm tired.
Crystal.
Stand up.
No, I need to let them back.
Let me talk to you.
Gosh.
Crystal, let me talk to you.
I didn't do nothing
Well, we can call
wrong.
Michelle after
I
this.
didn't do nothing
Just
wrong.
relax.
Okay, I'll call
You're
her.
I'm gonna call her. Relax. You're gonna go in the cuffs right
No,
now.
I'm not going with
Yes,
you
you
no
are.
more. I'm afraid of that place. You guys hurt me there. Leave me alone.
Come on, stand up.
A jail.
Stand
All
up.
my family works there.
Stand
And
up.
all of them. You guys are hurting me.
You got it.
Stop.
Come on, Crystal, stop it.
Stop it. Please,
Stop it.
sir.
Get done.
Please
Put it
stop
We're
it.
gonna charge you for resisting evasion. Can you stop?
I'm not doing
Well,
anything.
stand up, stand
I'm
up.
not even supposed to be arrested.
You're on probation.
I'm not doing anything wrong,
Stand
though.
Stand
You
up.
guys, I'm making burgers. God, leave me alone.
Crystal, I don't want to have to put you on the floor.
Please, somebody help me.
Let's just. You want to dump her to the belly?
Dad,
You can do that.
no more. Dad, ow. Daddy. Dad.
All right, Crystal, sit up.
No. No, no.
Oh.
No. Ah, you're hurting me.
Don't move.
Hold on, Crystal.
I gotta lock these so they don't tighten.
No.
Hey, that cigarette brother wants to fire.
You guys do this to me all the time when I start to do good.
Stand up, stand up.
I did report. What do you guys want me to report? I called everywhere.
Let me call.
Hold her, hold her.
I called everybody. You guys put on some stand.
Just relax.
Move.
Crystal, hey, stop it. Get rid of this.
So tired.
Senor, cigarette. That was hers. I don't want to start a fire. Come on, Crystal. Let's go.
They sent me that phone. That's NASA's. Oh.
This is yours.
Give me.
I said
I'll get-
cigarettes. We don't want to.
What's hers? What did you find? Because I don't have nothing in here. I'm not letting you guys pin stuff on me. I'm tired. I am.
What am I gonna find in here?
Nothing. That's what I'm saying. I thought you put some.
Let's see how she tries to talk her way out of this. With cuffs already on.
Okay.
My baby gun. I asked the judge if I could have it. He said yes.
Look, Crystal.
Yes, he said yes.
Look,
I could.
Crystal. We're here because you didn't call, dude.
I called, dude. I promise we'll call her. I don't want to leave
Listen,
the house.
listen. They didn't get any calls, dude.
You guys made me pee myself and
Okay?
everything.
They didn't get no calls.
Yes, I called. I can
Well,
show you the numbers.
Who'd you call?
I called the courthouses. Nobody will answer.
You didn't call probation.
I called her too. I
Yourself?
called probation. I didn't even know her name.
G3 Santa Rosa. G3 Santa Rosa. I'm gonna have a 110 15 41.
I mean, I don't do nothing wrong. I just stay home. Why am I such a threat?
No, you're not
Like,
a threat.
what am I doing to you guys?
You're resisting.
I'm not resisting.
You
You
were.
guys are doing this illegally.
And
This
that's
is
called
illegal.
you're on
This
probation.
is harassment.
And you didn't call
It's
in.
harassment. I'm afraid of you guys.
Okay.
You guys put me in danger. You don't help me.
Okay.
So you have nothing else in here that's gonna get you in trouble.
No, I just want to call Michelle.
I did. She'll call me back. She didn't answer. Why is your dad lying for you? Why are you afraid to talk to us?
Because you guys take me to jail all the damn time. And I don't even know for what.
Because you don't report.
Because I don't report.
And
I came
resist.
home.
Look.
Look,
And
last
resisting.
time I came home, they said the cops took all my stuff out.
Hey,
Somebody in
But
the
it
neighborhood
wasn't-
told
it
me the
wasn't
cops
us.
stole all my stuff.
It wasn't us.
I found all my stuff at the church. I had to be buying it back.
It wasn't
I had to
us.
buy me a jacket. I had to buy all this stuff at the church.
It wasn't us, Crystal. We didn't take your stuff.
Okay, she said she called the court and her attorneys.
I called everybody and I called the probation office.
Which
Nobody
office?
will answer.
Which office?
And then I called Albuquerque and they don't even have probation. I can show you the papers.
Albuquerque does have an office.
No, I just checked.
I tried lying too, saying she wasn't here. No phone calls by Ruth put in the system either? Okay, cool. Well, she's...
I did call, look. I swear to God.
Where's your
I
phone?
swear to God,
Show it
right
to me.
here. Why do you have my phone?
Because you're under arrest.
No, why do you have my phone? That is
You're under
weird.
arrest.
I've been calling you for 2 weeks from my other phone. Somebody stole my phone, one of you guys.
It wasn't us. We didn't come here. This is the only thing we have.
And then there's somebody with one of the machines that takes phone calls. I tried and tried. I don't have a car, so I can't go. I don't go anywhere. You guys see me. I don't do anything wrong.
This
I
is
don't
the first
have
time I've seen you,
friends.
Crystal.
I don't have friends. Too many. I mean, I do nothing wrong.
Well, today you did. You resisted arrest.
I did not. I'm not under arrest.
Yeah,
You just came to check on me.
You didn't report. They have no.
I did report.
They
I
have no
reported.
documentation of it.
I even went to the courthouse and talked to Chris. I spoke to Chris numerous times. These charges were dropped
you need to talk
through
to these guys.
Washington, D.C. All my charges, somebody keeps just popping them up illegally. It's not funny anymore. No, put my phone back.
It's
Give
going
me
with
my
us.
phone.
It's going
Oh
with
my
us.
God, yes.
You want to leave it here?
Okay. Give it to my dad.
Sir, this is Crystal's phone. She requested that you hold it, okay? She wanted you to have it.
The yelling, the refusal to leave. It's only making things worse.
I do check in. I'll check in with you guys every day. I'm right here.
Okay, Crystal.
I'm right here. Let me change. Let me change my pants. I'm all peed on.
You are not getting out of those cuffs because the way you're acting, they're not coming off.
No, please, leave me alone.
Alright.
Leave me alone.
Crystal.
You scared the shit out of
Crystal,
me. Leave me
stop it,
alone.
stop it, stop it.
Leave me alone.
Stop
Leave
it.
me alone. I'm tired of it. Help.
Come on. Crystal, I don't want to have
Leave
to
me
drag,
alone. Leave me
drag you all the way out there,
alone.
okay?
Leave me alone.
I don't want to have to drag you out.
Help. No, it's not funny anymore.
Come on. Why are you acting like that?
It's not funny.
No one's laughing.
Dad.
Hey, let's get her out of here, bro.
Burger. Dude, it's not funny
Come
anymore.
on,
No, there's his wife. Look.
Let's get her out of here. Because,
You
yeah,
guys
they're on the way.
stop. I just was making my burger. I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm not doing anything wrong. Stop that!
Crystal.
Dad!
No, you know.
No, I'm not doing nothing wrong! Leave me alone! Daddy, tell me to let me walk! Let me go! please.
Stop.
Tell me to let me walk!
Calm down.
You guys
Calm
made me
down.
feel all over
Calm down.
myself!
Calm
Hey,
down.
this isn't Santa Rosa! This isn't Santa Rosa! Dad,
Crystal,
it's not Santa Rosa!
sit down.
It's
Wait,
not
listen
Santa
to me.
Rosa!
Listen to me. Listen to me.
It's not Santa Rosa!
Listen to me. If you don't comply,
It's
you
not
gotta get
Santa
more
Rosa.
charges. Do you understand
I
that?
already did everything.
If you don't
I already did
comply,
everything.
if you don't
I already did
comply,
everything.
Crystal.
Dad, it's not Santa Rosa. I'm
Crystal.
scared.
Crystal. It
Daddy.
is Santa Rosa. Crystal.
No, it's not.
If you don't
This
comply,
is
if
Fort
you-
Sumner.
Listen to
Daddy,
me.
call Gage.
Listen to me.
I didn't get charged with nothing. No.
Okay. Well, then
I
let's
already
go.
checked in. How are you guys doing this? It's illegal.
Come on. Let's go check again. Come on.
It's illegal.
Come on, Crystal.
I was cooking.
Come on, let's go.
No, Dad. Stop.
Hey, just cut it out.
Stop.
Just cut it out. Come on.
Stop. No.
Come on. You'll be out. You'll be out in no time.
Let me know. You guys keep me forever.
At this point, they're just trying to get her safely out the door.
Stop it. You guys hurt me over there too. Please leave me alone.
You're gonna hurt your arm, bro.
Come on. There's no point in doing this, Crystal.
No.
There's no point in doing this.
No.
There's
You
no
guys are-
point.
This is illegal already.
Stop. Just stop, okay?
This is illegal. You guys are
You wanna take
dangerous.
it to the
Oh, nobody
hospital?
trust the
understand?
And our phones and everything. Our identities. Our wives out there. And it.
Do you have anything on you?
No!
Okay. Hold on. Real quick. Go ahead. Ask him. He's just checking you, okay?
You peed your pants or what?
Yeah, he used a pressure point. A little short one.
Do you have anything on you?
Oh.
Yeah, I have.
Come on, Crystal, have a seat.
TV gun.
Come on.
No, the
Have a seat. Have a seat.
I asked the judge if I can have it. Juan,
Okay,
I want to
let's-
stay.
hold
This
on.
is not fair. How are you going to charge me? Let me talk
Crystal,
to her.
Crystal.
Let me talk to my lawyer before you take me.
You will talk to your lawyer, okay? Just
I
calm down.
wasn't doing
It's
nothing
not, hey,
wrong.
it's not worth it to resist,
I wasn't
okay?
doing nothing wrong, though.
Okay.
I did everything right.
Just
I
calm
wasn't
down.
doing
Calm
anything.
down. We're gonna take you to the hospital, get checked out, okay?
I'm fine.
We still gotta go, okay? Just relax.
That's the guy that was hurting me. Who is he? Ow. I'm not no yeah, what the stupid. I'm just eating a burger.
I'll have him do the med clear, and then I'll go over there, finish my clean stuff, and I'll have him take it and we'll swap. Because I'm gonna summons her for resisting behavior.
Yeah, that's
You're
fine.
gonna summons her? Mr. Crystal.
Yeah.
Look, I don't wanna fight with you, alright?
Don't talk.
Okay, well let's go. I don't wanna have to drag you.
Officers respond to a report of a woman who's been occupying the gym shower for over 2 hours without a membership.
I started at 6 and the people that were working before me said she's been in the shower since 4 o'clock this morning. I went in there and I asked her to leave a couple of times, told her she was trespassing. She doesn't have a membership. And I told her security was outside earlier and she told me to f*** off.
Is there any other females in here right now?
I'll check.
Okay.
Alright, so she's been asked to leave by an employee, told she was trespassing, and she's refused to leave. So what do we have?
Trespassing.
Okay. Trespassing what degree?
So she's actually in the shower. She's been in there.
She's in there right now?
She's the only one in there.
The water running too?
Yeah.
Okay. She has responded to you though?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, police coming in.
Is it at least like a screen, so?
Yeah, there's a curtain on there. Yeah.
Is she standing?
I don't want to look in there.
I see.
Is it around this way?
Yeah.
Scam Police Department.
Police.
We're audio video recording.
So the police are here. Okay. If you want to get dressed, and now you can leave.
Ma'am, go ahead and get dressed for us, please, so we can get you out of here.
Sure.
We're gonna give you some time. All right, we're gonna be in here, but we'll be off to the side. So if you need to reach out, if you're in grab clothes, go ahead. Andrew, we're not watching.
Just I don't want her being in there or something, and to be liable for it.
Oh, yeah, right.
Multiple attempts are made to confirm her well-being. They give her a final chance to leave, but she stays completely unresponsive.
Hey there?
Ma'am, if you do not get ready to leave, you're gonna be placed under arrest for trespassing, okay? You understand? Ma'am? Ma'am?
Hey, can you hear us? Are you having a medical emergency or anything?
Ma'am? Are you okay? See your feet.
Hey, can you talk to us? What?
I see movement in there.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you talk to us, ma'am? Do you need medical attention? Ma'am.
After prolonged refusal, they'll have to go in, and they do a
Going in and grabbing you, okay?
Okay.
Alright, ma'am.
You're under arrest.
I'm gonna finish rinsing.
You need to step out.
I answer. Okay.
You're
Please.
under arrest.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Did not. I'm not trespassing.
Okay.
I paid to be here. First of all,
You've been asked
let
for
go.
hours.
to leave.
You're under arrest.
Come on.
I have not been here for hours.
That's-
absolutely not.
Ma'am.
You're being under
Let go of me now. Excuse me. I will get dressed.
21.
I have not been here for hours. I've been in here for 15 minutes.
You're under arrest.
Ma'am, you're under arrest, okay?
I am naked as.
I know you are.
So are you gonna put some clothes on?
Absolutely. Back the up.
Okay.
Where's your lieutenant?
I don't have a lieutenant.
Don't.
Put
Ma'am,
some clothes
stop.
Can I
Get
please
you
get
dressed,
dressed?
okay?
There you go.
No. Can you get these officers out?
Ma'am.
Now, I have been here for 15 minutes. I paid to be here.
So that's not in dispute right now. What's in dispute is you getting dressed. You
Absolutely. Excuse you.
Put some
This
clothes on.
is, get out.
Put some clothes on now.
I am law
You're under
enforcement.
arrest.
Excuse me.
Put clothes on
I am law enforcement. I will have your badge.
Okay, put some clothes on now.
Lieutenant.
please get dressed.
Now, Chief.
Put
You're
clothes on.
I will get out.
Put clothes on.
Get out.
We're not leaving.
You will be arrested for sexual harassment. Let go now.
Please get dressed.
Let go now.
Get dressed.
Now.
Get dressed.
I will have all of your badges. Oh, you just got the call? For sure. I suggest you take your officers the out now.
Please get dressed.
I suggest you take your officers out now.
We've been polite. Please get dressed. No more discussion. Please put some clothes on. This doesn't have to be any more embarrassing for all of us.
You're going to be the one embarrassed. All three of you. Chief of Police. You know who that is?
You keep getting dressed. We'll be patient. But if you stop and keep yelling, then we'll just
You
keep
piece
yelling.
of I have your badge. Did you hear that?
Yes.
Back the up.
You can't go to that bag.
I am going in. I'm going to do exactly what the chief of police said. You know what, mother?
Ma'am, you're under arrest for trespassing.
I'm going to sit here until your lieutenant gets here so I can get some clothes on.
Can we try to slip on those sweatpants on the top or a jacket if she has one handy?
Yeah. If you walk me out naked,
No one's gonna do that.
you just put your hands all over me because I grabbed my clothes.
Well, no, because you assaulted me.
I am law enforcement.
Okay. You're being
I'm not putting that on. I'm gonna sit. I paid to be here.
okay. I can talk to you after I read you your rights. Okay.
Read me my rights for what?
Well, you're under arrest.
Thank you. Can you help me get dressed and remove these other officers for a minute, please?
I can try to help you get dressed. What would you like me to do?
Can I get dressed, please?
What do you want to slip some pants on first, probably?
If I have to ask one more time.
Eventually, she puts on just enough to be escorted out with some dignity left.
Your dad's a cop?
No.
He's a CO? Cincinnati State Prison?
I'm not even doing this right, so
No.
we're gonna call it good.
No, we're not calling it good. Put it off straight away.
He doesn't know how to do it.
Okay, well, take it off my head and put it around my waist.
Your bra or underwear? What's no problem? Down for now.
You can't even handle it.
Try to lift this up for you.
Your position, honestly.
Do you want to put shoes on?
Now I can put shoes on.
That way we can walk you outside.
Oh, I assaulted him. But naked.
Alright, we're gonna walk you out. We're gonna come back and get all your stuff, okay?
We got to get another bag to put the stuff in. Okay.
Turn around, okay? Thank you.
You're not injured at all?
Yeah, these mother put their hands all over me.
Okay, what's your injuries? Where are you hurt?
I'm not injured at all.
Okay.
I suggest you don't do that again.
We don't want you to go out. It's freezing cold
I
outside.
don't give a
Okay.
What do you care? It's freezing cold.
Well, you're
You just snatched me up at naked.
Yeah, I did. Do you want to
Because
answer?
AJ's in there some and I'm in here taking a shower.
Okay.
Okay?
Do you want to?
Lieutenant Fisher?
Thanks for the promotion. Do you want to help them? Amanda, what's your last name?
Did you ask him who I am?
No, I did not ask him that.
Go for it.
Ma'am, do you have anything sharp in your pockets?
Does it look like I have anything sharp in my pockets? You just pulled my naked out of the shower disrespectfully as
Were those jackets checked at least before we put them on?
You can open the door.
Can you check the stuff you did?
Yep.
For sure, check it out.
Okay. Just work on the
Did you get
pockets.
good on that?
Yeah.
You like my make you feel good? Are you checking my
Okay.
Didn't you just put my pants on just now? Yeah? Cicinella? You just got lieutenant. If I transport with these I have your back. You better believe that.
We're also audio video recording.
Good.
So just
Absolutely.
Yep.
I'm talking to him right now.
You have the right to remain silent.
Sir,
Anything you
can
say
you
be
tell him
used
to back
against
the
you
up?
in a court of law. You have the right at this time to talk to a lawyer and have it present with you while you are being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be to understand each of these rights I've explained
call
to
it
you.
over the radio.
Do you understand?
Did you really just read me my Miranda rights on a trespass? Did you?
You're under arrest.
Did you check the computer system? Tell me.
Do you understand those
Did
rights?
you check the computer system?
All right,
yes or no?
Do you understand your rights?
The answer is no. Shut the door, bro.
The woman was charged with attempted assault, criminal trespassing, resisting arrest, and possession of a glass meth pipe. It's August 20th, 2023, and at Tampa International, a woman's about to turn a missed flight into a federal case.
Hello. So this passenger, I'm not sure why she wants to speak with you, but she has every right. We already let her know she was being denied boarding.
Okay.
Just due to the comments she made downstairs at check-in. Management was just made aware at 7:30.
Okay.
She's automatically denied boarding and being put on our no-fly list.
Okay.
She stated if she wasn't getting a seat on our overseas flight, she was going to blow the place up, and that's not a threat, it's a promise. We can't have passengers saying that, especially when staff is just doing their job, especially when there wasn't a supervisor even on duty. So,
Just so I can be sure, you know, so you guys denied her boarding. Did you give her? She's got a refund and everything.
she's got the refund card. She has to take it up with Frontier because of the situation.
Right.
It's up to Frontier's discretion. So we're not sure. Pending right now investigation. She's just unchecked from the flight and denied boarding for today, but possibly she may be put on the no-fly list.
Okay.
So,
All right.
I told her I gave her what she needs for her refund. We don't issue it at the station.
Right. Okay.
So she has all the information she needs. She's just refusing to.
Sure. Can you hold on to that for me? Just give me a minute.
A bomb, like, really? And she was talking to another customer, and I need to get on.
I need you.
And
I need you to get off the phone, ma'am. Okay. Here's the issue that we have here. They have denied you boarding for this flight. Okay, which means you don't have a valid boarding pass anymore, which means you cannot be here. She said they've issued you a refund card that you're going to have to take up with Frontier.
I will.
But none of that is going to happen here. So what we're going to do...
No, I will.
Yeah.
Frontier, I'm done.
That's fine. But what we're going to do, though, is we're going to go get on the shuttle and we're going to go back to the landside terminal, all right?
No.
And if you would like to try to book passage with another airline and stuff...
I would definitely do that. I would definitely do that.
Sir.
Did she say what they said she said? Supposedly a bomb threat. And she's helping it.
Ma'am, over here. Let's walk over. Let them talk. Don't let them talk, and we'll talk.
She said if I don't get a seat on this overbooked flight, I'm going to blow this place up.
She needs to go to jail.
She needs to go to jail. She needs to go to jail? Yes, sir.
Look at 790, 162, 163. Hey, look at it first and you tell me.
It started over baggage fees and a missing seat.
Just so we're clear, was she a standby passenger?
No.
Okay, she wasn't. Okay, so did she come up here with an attitude?
Yeah, she was mad because she had to pay already downstairs for that bag.
Okay.
So she was already livid. She came up here twice. The first time she came complaining about the bag she had to pay for. She asked to speak for a supervisor, and I said, okay, my supervisor isn't up here, but at the end of the day, you have to pay for that carry-on bag. That's just the policy.
Right.
So she was like, okay, like, I understand it's not you. So she sat back down, and then she came back up like, oh, wait, and I just realized I don't have a seat either. And then
The other lady that was here from earlier, like, we have to assign seats. The fight is over, so give us some time. And she busted out with this statement.
Okay, so she came back twice regarding the bag.
Yeah, she came.
So that means she actually went downstairs, came through security, came in here, then went back and came through security a second time?
No, she came up once about the bag, and then the second time was about the not having a seat, and that's what sent her over edge.
Okay.
Yeah. She gave it more to Jerry, but she can tell us right now
It
again.
was just, I was like 104 and I was just took me for a surprise. And I was talking to the guy and the girl was helping another customer and she was being hostile with me. She was like, I'll see you at the gate. I'll see you.
Ma'am, here's the thing. There's certain things you can't say.
I know.
You can't say fire in a movie theater. You can't say you're going to blow up the airport.
I didn't say blow up the airport.
Ma'am, they said if you don't get on a plane, you're going to blow this place up. That's what they're saying.
I did not say that up there. I didn't say if I don't get over, because that's why I got my ticket. Like, why would I say that up here?
What was the conversation like?
It was downstairs, and I'm like, are you serious? $104.
Oh, over here at the ticket?
At the ticket, I just said nothing at the counter, nothing at all. And that's with the girl with the hair. She was down there, and she was being hostile to me. She was
What was that conversation?
Because I was like, $104? Are you serious? I'm like, really? And she was like getting hostile.
And what did you respond?
I said, I was like, I didn't say I will blow up this place if I don't get on the plane because I'm checking my.
Well, that's the information. So what was it exactly that you said?
I said, I didn't say I'll blow up this place because I was upset. I'm like, I will. Because if I'm downstairs, why would I say I will blow up the plane? And I was just upset. It was like, I was upset because I had to pay $104 for a carry.
Did you pay it?
I paid it. Okay. And then I give them my money back now.
Yeah, I think they said they refunded $791.
They didn't. I checked my bank account.
Yeah, it takes a couple days. When they do that, those credit card transactions, it takes a couple days. $791. But they assured us.
And I'm pretty sure you're on their side, so.
What's that now?
I said, everyone is on their side, so.
No, miss, this is how it works. When you reprimand your child, you want to hear what the child says, and then you got your side.
Right.
So we got to listen to both.
And she was being hostile to me. She's helping. And I'm like, why are you in our business when you should be attending to you have customers right there?
Yeah, and we weren't there for that part, but we still need
and I
to
did
talk.
say Frontier is like soldiering because it's a joke. Steve Harvey says it all the time. This is like Spirit Frontier soldiering, and I was like, this is soldiering.
Tries to explain herself, saying she's just frustrated. But at the airport, threats, even jokes, are federal business. No excuses.
But anyway, this is where we're at. So you gotta just mind your P's and Q's. Okay?
You have to notify the FBI about this stuff.
So the FBI.
It's Tony.
Okay,
I appreciate you.
Anytime you say anything of that circumstance,
And she was being hostile with me as well.
You can't say stuff like that, especially not in an airport.
Listen, service can be rude sometimes, but
I can't feed back into it.
I mean,
You can argue, man, with somebody.
I will.
No, let me finish. You can argue. Like right now, I can argue with you.
You can argue with me. All right, it won't be productive unless we listen to each other. But if you argue back with me and I argue back with you, at the point that we take it to a level that there's laws that address the extent that we're going, we can be breaking the law then. If you yell something that's not allowed by law in a movie theater or in an airport, then it's a big deal. So that's where you've got to understand that. You seem like a nice lady, but that's not a question here. Like, and I'm figuratively speaking, if right now I started yelling, fire, 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 well, that's against the law. If I start yelling, I'm gonna blow this place up, there's a bomb, well, that's against the law. There's a law for that. If you call me a no good, bald-headed whatever, there's no law against that.
I said so plain, because that's what they call Spirit and Frontiers. It's like, literally, it's ghetto.
I don't know
And
that.
it's the cheapest.
But ma'am, here's the thing. Okay? Bottom line, what they're saying you said, you can't say over there. And we can't, in this environment, we can't look the other way. Okay? So that's why I double checked with what was said, what's being reported, what was said. Okay? And the statute just says all you got to do is threaten to do it. Okay? And that's like I said, now we have to notify the FBI. We have to notify our detective, who's a liaison. We got Carol's getting the written stuff over there.
I want to see it before I sign anything. I'm not
Well, ma'am, you know, right now I'm just informing you. Okay,
I just want to make sure I'm not being.
You're probably going to be arrested, but I just need you to stay as calm as you are right now.
Yelling, no cuffs just yet, but this is heading in one direction, and it's not toward another boarding gate.
Ma'am, it's one of those things.
I can't. I'm looking for a job.
Ma'am, listen to me. Okay? I'm not acting this way because I don't want you to see me as uncaring. Okay? Do you hear what I'm saying? I'm just being bare bones with you. Bare bones. These are certain things you cannot do in this environment that cannot be overlooked. Now it can be looked into later. They can go and they can do whatever they do, but that's federal.
So I'm being arrested.
Ma'am, I'm not gonna lie to you.
I didn't do anything.
Okay.
I'm just gonna sit.
Let's start heading.
First doesn't fall. You can sit down. Have a seat.
Look at my record. I'm 51 years old, never been arrested, never been.
Ma'am, we're not saying anything to have to do with that. I'm not. That's why I double, triple checked. I asked over there.
We don't always have the ability to say, oh well, whatever. I don't know you well enough. You call me?
Yes.
Go ahead, buddy.
114, 116.
You've got to understand, we can't just. Some things we're not able to just say, it's no big deal. I'm a open-minded enough person to understand. You may have said something that crossed the lines, but what's that?
She was pestering me. Like, why would she be talking to me? And she was like getting me riled up.
Stand by. I'm on the shuttle.
But I mean, like, but you are. But
I'm over here, and I know.
But ma'am, let me ask you something. If somebody makes me mad enough, should I be able to just say anything to them or in any environment? That's not. I understand what you're saying, and listen to me. I don't want to keep. I'm not trying to argue.
You're already gonna arrest me for the people.
What I want you to do is, if you want, probably it's normal to be upset right now. But I don't.
So that way, when I go to smoke, I just have it right there.
Please don't arrest me. Please,
Face the vehicle.
Officers respond to a Burlington store after a report of suspicious activity in the restroom.
Yeah, actually, my box is right there.
Oh, thank you. Burning what?
Sensors in order.
Okay. Hello, I'm Officer Herr, Marysville Police Department. So they are requesting you be trespassed, so just leave those items right here.
How come?
So you went in the bathroom and you burned some items, the sensors off some items.
I didn't burn anything. I was literally just going through.
Okay, so they're requesting that you be trespassed.
Okay.
What's the lighter on your wrist for?
So that way when I go to smoke, I just have it right there. That way no one steals it, you know?
Okay.
I get my stuff stolen a lot.
Okay.
It's crazy. It's my first time ever coming over here.
We're gonna walk over to my patrol car.
It would be made fair to put my, like the items that I was gonna buy out on the shelf so that way I can stay in the bathroom.
Okay. What's your last name? Okay, hang tight here. I'm just gonna write you up a trespass. What were you doing in the bathroom that would make them think that you were burning something?
I have no idea. I didn't smoke anything at all.
Okay, just hang tight.
A store manager says the smell of burnt plastic hit them like a wall after she left the restroom. Still, there's no physical evidence to hold her.
Something's burning in there, but it is strong.
Okay, so we would just need evidence, some sort of, proof, because she's saying she didn't burn anything, she didn't have anything on her.
Yeah.
So right now I'm just writing up trespass.
That's fine, because as soon as I would be able to get video evidence would be tomorrow. So, and of course that's too late for right now.
Was there any items? Did you check where she left her stuff? Did you see anything burned?
So when I had another customer who went into the restroom at the same time she did.
Yeah.
I went in there and checked her stuff, and nothing was burning at that time. Okay. The customer came out, and as she's coming out, she's like, I turned the lighter go on. She was, I don't know what that was all about, but I heard a lighter. So I went in there again, and all I could smell is the burning smell of our sensors in the bathroom. Like, it literally still smells like that in there right now. It takes a while because we don't have great ventilation in there, so it takes a while for it to come out of the restroom.
Yeah.
I have to close it off for the rest of the night. But
Did you see anything?
She had some of our stationery stuff that was like a purple pen with like a star on it. I know that she had one of those in her hands, and I don't know if she still has that or not, but that was one of the things that she had. And she had some bags and stuff. I did try to pick up as much of the bags as I could, but yeah.
Okay, so you just want to trespass, or
I just want to get her trespass right now. That's
Okay, I'll do that, and then and then I'll just bring this back. Okay, thank you.
No physical evidence means no theft charge today.
Yeah, so they said that right after you went into the bathroom, it smelled like, there was a customer complaining that when you went into the bathroom, it smelled like burning. And then the manager went in after, and she said it smelled like,
It's so funny because if you play the camera tapes, I wasn't even in the bathroom long enough to do anything other than pee.
well, unfortunately, I mean, I can't prove that you were in there burning, so they aren't pressing charges for anything. They just want you trespassed.
So does this mean I can't come to the whole place, or
Just this location. So if you wanted to go to a different Burlington, you could. And then same as like if you need to go to Big Lots or something. But you cannot. So it would be criminal trespass in the second degree if you're hanging out outside of this specific store. So if you go to Big Lots, don't like linger in front of here. And you also, it's a 1-year trespass from this store.
I don't get to shower often, so I mean, I've had people tell me I do smell bad.
No, they said it's like burning plastic.
I didn't light anything on fire at all.
Okay.
Yeah, it's funny because the Everett Library actually twice now has barred me for 60 days because they said I was smoking in the bathroom. Their vapor sensors went off, and the second time I watched the security guard watch me and my homegirl walk into the bathroom together, and she smoked in the bathroom. I didn't. I don't smoke in public because I like being able to go to the restroom when I can. You know what I mean?
Yeah. But like, how's the store supposed to know if two of you go in and then it smells like smoke?
He said you were the only one in the bathroom when it went off. I was like, who saw her go in there with me, dude? Come on, stop! Like, don't even play me like that. Run the cameras back.
Yeah.
And he was like, yeah, but when the sensor went off, she was already gone. And I'm like, okay, well then y'all need to fix your sensors or something.
Yeah.
Think about how much time it takes for the smoke to travel to the top of the ceiling and then to get to your sensor or whatever. I don't know, but either way, he knew she was in the bathroom. And then he told me, well, you can dispute it, and honestly, it'll probably get lifted because every single one we've had except one ever was lifted. Because the chick smoked fentanyl right in front of the security officers. Like, while she was trying to argue with the administration or something. And I was like, that sounds pretty psychotic.
Yeah.
Talk about a jail date for her.
When are you available to come to Burlington? Okay. So you'll just sign here at the bottom. This is, like I was saying, a 1-year trespass. Just right down there acknowledging that.
The situation escalates when officers discover multiple warrants under a different NAMON she initially concealed by giving a false identity.
So at this point, though, I'm going to give you your copy of this. but you are not free to leave. You do have a warrant out of Everett, okay? Looks like you have quite a few warrants out of Everett. There's one for criminal trespass in the 2nd degree.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
That's not my sister.
So the name that you gave me is not coming back with return. The only name is coming back with Kylie, and all of the photos, the DOL photo is you, the booking photos is you. So I'm not believing that your name is Kiara.
That's my sister.
Kiara is your sister?
Yeah.
Okay, so Kylie is your name?
Kaylee.
Kaylee. Okay, so why'd you lie to me about your name? Because you knew you had a warrant?
No.
Okay, so you're under arrest for the warrant.
Oh, please,
Yep.
please don't.
Just face the vehicle.
Please don't arrest me.
This isn't going to turn into a fight.
Please don't arrest me.
This is not going to turn into a fight. Face the
Please,
vehicle.
please don't
Hey,
arrest me. Please.
Face the vehicle.
Please.
Face the vehicle.
Please don't arrest me, please.
Put your hand behind your back.
Please don't arrest me.
What do I not understand? Here. What do you have? What do you have? Is it cellulitis or something? 801, I have one in custody. 31 up there. What do you have on your leg? Yeah, what is it? I'm saying.
After confirming her real name through a mugshot, officers arrest her, and a short search follows, raising further concern about possible drug use.
Okay, step up here. What's in your pocket? There's like a... What were you smoking in the bathroom? Was it the...
I wasn't smoking anything.
You weren't smoking
I really
off
was
a
not smoking.
tutor?
No. You don't have anything to smoke, so...
Well, obviously we're smoking something off the tinfoil.
No, I didn't have that.
Lift your hands for me. Okay, do you have anything else that I would need to know about, or the jail would need to know about? Do you have anything in your bra?
Before I came in. That's why I didn't smoke in the bathroom.
Okay, what pills?
Any pills?
Okay. We'll have a nurse check you out there. Take a seat in the back seat. Nothing in your shoes?
Can you call for an aid for my leg?
We will once we get there. Sorry that took so long. Here's your copy.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks, you too.